do you think you're going?
Nowhere, Jami.
You are going back home with me. You belong to me and no one else.
Yes.
You belong to me forever.
Somebody help me!
If you utter one word now, I will kill you here. Do you hear me? You are going back home with me. You are my property. Okay?
Please, I'm begging you, don't do this. Don't just drop the knife.
Move now, eh?
Hey! What's going on here? Why are you telling that young lady like that? What's going on? Why are you harassing the young lady that way?
How is that your business? Is it your business how I choose to harass my wife?
Officer, I'm not his wife. I'm not his wife.
If you say that again, I will stab you to death.
What? Knife? Young man, you are under arrest for possession of arms. You are under arrest.
You're a very foolish man. Do you think here is a police station? Will you get out of here? Go where you're going.
Hey, listen. I said you are under arrest. Before you come here.
If you touch me now, eh?
Jamike, listen to me. You get yourself into trouble.
I'll get myself into trouble, right?
Please.
Watch me. You came here to... Huh? Next time, you will learn to mind your business. Now, move it.
Jamike, you just killed an officer.
I said move now before you join him. Back to the house! Move it. Move it. You want me to stab you before you move? You want me to beat you?
No.
Move it. Then move.
A dream. A dream. Oh. Babe, what's up? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Nancy, I just had a very terrible dream. Terrible one. I saw Jamike in that dream. He killed an officer. He was chasing me with a knife and then caught up with me when an officer tried to intervene. He killed him. I just hope he hasn't gotten himself into any trouble again.
No. Huh? It's just a dream. Babe, are you sure it's not your malaria? Are you sure you took your medication this morning?
I did. Moreover, I'm okay. I'm fine. I keep having these dreams all the time. I don't know. It's just so scary.
Okay, you need to calm down. Jamike will come and see you. He said he will come and see you when he closes from the shop. Obviously, he knows you're not feeling too well and he will come and see you. Or better still, call him.
The last price is 55,000 naira.
You know I'm your customer now. I came here to buy something every day now.
I know you see everybody and yet you come to buy from me. And that is why I'm okay. You know what will happen? What? Because to show you that I want to sell it for you, bring 54,500 naira. And that's because it's you. Last.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Write me a receipt. I'm in a haste.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Beke, how are you? I'm fine, no. No, I'm at the shop. I've come here.
I do now. I'm in a haste.
Yes, I'm just... No, not to worry. Nothing to worry about.
Fast now. I told you I'm in a haste.
Okay, I'll get it for you when I'm coming back. Don't worry, I'll get it for you when I'm coming back. You know I love you and I'll do anything.
Guy, I don't like this you are doing, no. I don't like it at all. It's not important to you. Eh? That you keep me standing. If you don't understand, when 10 million, let me get out from here. What nonsense is this? Eh?
Honey, I'll call you
first to come back to the understand again. Why you waste my time? Shoo?
Oga, get out of my shop.
What did you say?
I said get out of my shop.
You said...
Get out of my shop before I handle you. I'm talking to my woman and you're telling me I'm talking nonsense, eh? If you don't get out of here now, I'll handle you. I said get out of my shop. Tell this idiot to get out of my shop.
Bros, what is it?
You don't want to get out of my shop?
My day was okay. Did some of those women didn't come to see me? Go and drop the things inside. Hurry up, and be careful.
What are they for?
And you know my teachers. Be careful, you will soon break the bottles. These children safe. You can't put down the bottles gently. Like you. Hurry up and go back to school. Hurry up! Big girls and you're just... Small girls can't do anything again.
It's okay.
Anyway, as I was saying, a visitor brought the drinks to school for the teachers, but they're becoming lazy these days. So I said if I allow them take these drinks, they'll be lazier than they were before. So I decided to seize everything and bring it to the house.
Mama, you allowed these students carry this drink on their head from the school to this place.
Are you mad?
You should have simply put it in your boots now.
Are you mad? Is it your business? Are they your students? What is wrong with me sending them to do something for me? Is this not simple exercise? If I call them back now, they'll tell you speedy that they were doing exercise, lifting up and bringing down.
All set to go. All set to go. It has started. It has started. The fool and the cattle rearers are in our farm. Hip-hip-hip! Hooray! I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was... Play! Shot! Attention! Move! Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move! Papa. Take care of the house. Take care of the house. Take care of the house. Wait. Move! Wait. Move! Wait. Move! Take it easy. Take care of the house. Hey! Ha!
Papa is very stubborn. How can he go to fight the cattle rearers while the youths are there?
Your father is so stubborn. What if they kill him there? What if they kill him there? Eh? What if they hurt him? What will happen to me?
Mama, let's just pray nothing happens to him. Eh? It's okay.
I don't blame you. You are a fool. Bless me someday. I'm a fool, eh? I'm a fool, eh? I'll destroy this. Are you mad? I'm going to destroy this. You say you can buy it. There's something wrong with you. Hey! Idiot! I'm really a fool. Idiot! You broke the woman with you.
To tell him he cannot buy it. Is he mad? Idiot! God punish your papa there. Let me see you around here again. Get out!
You broke the television.
Let me prove to him that he cannot have it. How can he come to my son? I call my woman nonsense.
Welcome. Thank you. How are you doing? This is why your faces are like this. Those are not smiling. What's wrong?
Ask her. She's been so uncomfortable that she had bad dream about you and she's been worried.
Maybe just because of a dream. Look at me, I'm here and fine. Cheer up, Biko.
It's okay. I'm fine. Maybe because you're here.
Oh, I beg, let me
I'll be outside.
Okay, I'll see you later, eh? And so I got this for you.
The last set you bought, I still not used them, and you bought this. I thought you would have gotten your fruit.
Oh, that's true. Okay, what will happen is this: as we're driving out along the way, I'll get you fruits. I forgot because I had a very bad day today. I guess it's because I didn't see your beautiful face before leaving for the shop.
What happened? I said it. I
Youth of our community. Yes. I greet you all. We greet you. You see, I told you, and I repeat it. The only good thing you can do for yourself in life is to become an army officer, a soldier. Because once a soldier, always a soldier. That's so. Now, I challenge you all. Go and tell the Igwe and every member of our community they should go home and sleep with their 2 eyes closed. I have taken care of the Fulani herdsmen. Yes. Oh, soldier. Thank you. Anywhere you see or smell their presence, come and tell all soldier and I will wipe them all off. Yes. Use Gwenu!
Jamike, how could you? You went too far. Breaking your own TV, I mean, damaging your own product.
I wanted to prove to him that he can never have it.
Really?
Yes.
And you think that would affect him? It would definitely affect you. Okay, now that you broke the TV, what did you do? You will go elsewhere, buy from another person, and then you lose. Jamike, why? I have told you and I'm saying it again, you need to work on your temper. That is the only fault you...
And I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry now. Do you want me to get a bell and begin to ring it? Why do you paint me as though I'm the devil himself?
It's okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I didn't mean to raise my voice. I'm sorry, baby. Okay.
It's okay, I'll just drop this in the kitchen.
But you surprised me. Eh? You and I know that you are not meant to go with us. Why did you decide to? Eh?
Now I'm looking for trouble. Let me tell you. Anything that will put trouble between us, that will cause a stir between both families, is exactly what I am looking for.
Why? Why now? Eh? Her son and your daughter are so close to comfort that they might even get married. That woman, Nekwa future in-law. She's going to be your future in-law.
Hey! If I may borrow your words, future in-law, you said. Not that she's an in-law for now. No. There is no way that boy will marry my daughter without my consent. You see what they are doing now? Oh yeah. Can't kolodi kafaniti. I can't barado like our Fonzia Okumba.
Hey, my sister, look straight into your daughter's eye. So it's a feeling of love. She's madly in love. Love, Baba go crazy. Only I love Jamike.
Love Jamike. Hey, love. Do you know what love is? Because people sing about love up and down the streets. Do you know what I went through to bring up my daughters? Alone. My daughter cannot tell me what to do. Rather, I would be the one to tell her what to do. And you see this thing? It cannot work. I am planning. I will strike when I'm ready. And when I strike, hey, I got it deadly.
We all know how you suffered when your husband died to raise these children. I am, ma. But when it comes to love, name will you Oh, Biko. Oh, you not be on love.
Mama, old soldier has done it again.
What did he do?
Do you know he drove the headsman away? Ah! I'm telling you.
That man is good. He's so brave. Hi, old soldier.
Biko, please. I'm not ready to listen to any false news from any false human being.
Mama, I'm not lying though.
Old soldier. Drive headsman away. With what?
Strong man.
With Unkwang or again. Please.
He's a strong man. Hi, old soldier.
If it's the likes of old soldier that you know, you have a problem.
You don't have to do this.
Aboy, get off my way. Hey. I want her to leave this house this minute. Now, if you do not leave this house, I'm going to call my boys to tear you apart. Now, leave this house. What did I say? Sister, I want her.
Sister, Biko.
I do this. You're still with.
Don't say it. I beg you, boss me. Just listen.
You're still Bring your bag.
Please, go and get your bag. Let us leave. Biko.
You are here. She's talking to me like this.
No, she cannot.
I will disgrace and disgrace you. Now get her out of this house.
Biko, she will.
Let her leave this house.
Biko, please.
Move it. What rubbish? What nonsense? Did I imagine?
Let's go.
How much are you doing?
300. Why are you doing that?
300. Why?
Honey? Which one do you want? He says these ones are 300.
Oga, come and buy the orange. Like that, they make love. Let's go, Papa.
See me, you're talking to me.
Because
I want to buy orange.
Are you crazy or something?
Am I crazy?
How will you buy oranges away? Are you
looking at me like that?
Jamike, what is it? What is this? Everywhere we go, you disgrace me. Just today, you have fought twice, 2 times. Everywhere we go, you fight, quarrel. What is it? Who does that?
Why did she insult me?
What do you mean, why did she insult you? Couldn't you hold yourself? Maybe I should have been the one to buy the fruits myself. You go here, you fight, you go here, you go
here. You mind the way you talk to me yourself?
I will talk to you the way I want to. What is your problem?
Don't let me.
You want to smash my face? Well, go ahead and smash my face. Smash it, Jamike. What is wrong with you? That is the only problem you have. Your temper. Deal with it.
Beke!
You have to take things easy. Eh? You have to try and control yourself. Now you're telling me your girlfriend left here in anger. What the man?
Oh, I just hate it when people provoke me.
It's alright. The line chairman said you have to pay your fine. So when you come to the market, you do that.
That's not the problem. When I come, I'll pay the fine.
Alright. You have to try to...
Don't stop offering to conceive of this thing now before you people come to this place.
Sorry. I will see you tomorrow in the market. Maybe I need to
I call him rubbish.
Okay. Yes, I want to make food. You would have waited for me to come back. Don't worry. I don't want to overstress you. Deniria, thank you so much, Mama.
Mama, you're welcome. It's the Lord's doing.
Oh, it's the Lord's doing it. Chai! Deniria. Mama. Chai. Thank you.
When did you say our boy is coming back again?
I don't know yet, but soon your husband will be back. He will be back. Your Huzi. I knew already that if he marries you, if my son, a boy marries you, overnight he will turn that his flat tummy to shoot out overnight. Rubbish. I'll never be a man for once. Every time they will control him. Has he gone? He can sleep there for all I care. Who cares?
This is the insult that they brought upon me. Mama will have to hear this.
A boy can never be a man for once. He can't stand and take decisions on his own. What is this? Me, I'm tired though.
Nancy, calm down.
That is why I like Jamike in a way.
It's again. Who? Jamike. Let me not hear that again. Please, if that is how to be a man, count me out. How can you call that one a man? That acts like a mad person, fighting twice in a day.
Are you serious? He has temper issues.
Yes, my dear, we know he has temper issues. But come on, there are lots of people with temper issues. They don't act the way he does. If I hadn't left his house, he would have battered me again today. And then all he has to say at the end of the day is, I'm sorry. If he comes here today, I am telling him that I am done, D-O-N-E, with this relationship. Don't say that too.
I won't force any of you to continue with the relationship. They say it's he who wears the shoe that knows where it pinches him or how the most. All I can say is that nobody is perfect.
Yes, we know no one is perfect. We understand that. But you see Jamaica's own, the place it has been pinching me is now pinning me. I can't. You have to be. He's even manageable. I prefer him to Jamaica.
Manageable? When you name make a wine?
If that boy slap you.
Jamaica anytime.
I can't do.
Okay. It is better you leave. Because there is nothing you will say to me that will make me leave this compound with you again.
I'm saying I'm sorry now, please. You're the only one who knows this, my temperament. You know it's my problem and we're working on it.
Don't be angry now, please. Let's go back to the house and talk.
Go back to which house? Me? You? Never. You promised never to hit me today and you almost did.
But I didn't. I held myself back.
I should have waited.
Please now. See, your neighbors will soon come out and begin to see us here. Let's go back to the house and settle this amicably.
Look who is concerned about neighbors.
Come, let's go back.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You've had the guts to walk out on me.
Beke. Biko Nunu. Please, now, please. See, Beke, let's go back to the house and settle this, please. Okay, if you don't want to come to the house, let's just go to a bar or somewhere, anywhere and talk. Please.
It's okay, let me change into something better.
Thank you.
Mama, where are you going to?
Oh! Abayam!
Where are you going to?
I am going to see Obi. I gave her money to buy something for me from the market. So I said, let me go and collect it. This one you came without informing me.
Mama, it's not every time I want to see my mother that I have to inform you first before I come and see you. And Mama, I'm not very happy. There is something I need to discuss with you. Cannot be wait. I need us to go back home. Let's go and talk. Biko.
Why are you looking at me?
It's one face I can't resist looking at.
Okay, come on, that's a joke, right?
Who's joking? You know I'm not joking.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma.
Good day. How are you?
How will I get for you people?
What would you like to take on?
Anything is fine, but please no alcohol.
Sir, what about you?
Wine. Let's get wine.
Okay. We have red wine, champagne.
I said get me wine.
It's okay. Just get us a bottle of champagne, please. Honey, please, we are outside. I don't want you to get angry over nothing, okay? I just want you to be calm, please.
What's the meaning of that?
I'm just saying I don't want any drama. I just want everything to...
You don't want any drama? I'm not a mad person, right?
Chamike, I haven't said...
No, that is what you're saying. I'm a madman. Everywhere I go, I display. Is that not it?
Chamike, I'm just trying to...
Stop saying! What is that? What do you take me for, an animal or what?
Chamike, I haven't said...
You haven't said what? What are you implying in public? I'm a mad person, isn't it?
Chamike, we're outside.
Meet me.
I need someone to love, because I can't help myself. Baby, will stand with me, just show me love, or even more.
Boy, don't tell me it's the reason you visited.
Mama, you're telling me it's not enough reason. Yeah? By the way, I have decided that from now on, I do not want anybody to address me as a boy.
Hey, it does. You are very, very funny. Why do you want to change the name of it?
Mama, you don't laughing at me. Have you finished laughing at me? I'll tell you how I want to change it. Mama, I do not wish to be addressed as a boy anymore because I am a grown man. Mama, I have grown. I'm no longer a boy. This is why my sisters keep thinking I'm still a boy. They keep meddling in my affairs with my girlfriends. My girlfriend does something, I let sister know, and the next thing she's overreacting. Why? Because she still thinks I'm still her baby. She has to look after me. Mama, Achorozimia. Achorozimia, Biko, tell them to stay away from my affairs with my girlfriends. If my girlfriend does anything wrong, and I happen to tell her, I am telling her just because she's my sister, not because I want her to come and fight for me. Do you understand? I tell her my girlfriend did something and then she came around and she threw my girlfriend out. Why?
Then why did you tell her?
I will tell you why I told her. Mama, sister called me. She asked me how are you doing. I said, hey, I'm fine. She said, how is your girlfriend? I said, my girlfriend is fine, just that we are having a little problem. Just that, because she's giving me a little hard time. Sister got upset. She got upset. She found my girlfriend. She came over and she threw her out. Mama, what is she supposed to throw my girlfriend out? Just because I told her something?
Boy. Listen. We will not leave and see any girl, any woman, treat you anyhow. Okay? You are all we have. My only son. The only Iroko tree in my husband's house. You made me to still live in my husband's house. Like I said, we will not live and see any woman treat you anyhow. Inania, boy, eat your food.
Mama, wait. What's not our boy? It's Patrick.
Bargain.
Patrick.
Patrick. Boy, eat your food. I am not laughing at you.
Don't let people stare at us on the street.
Oh, really? People are staring. But when you do yours, you don't even think about people around. Well, Jamike, I don't care. Just leave me alone and let me be, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You are not sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are not. You see this relationship of ours? I am done. We have to sit and think about it. I can't cope. I am going mad.
You cannot say that now, Abba.
What do you mean?
You cannot talk like that.
Jamike, please, let me go.
Wait. What? Listen to me.
Jamike, leave me alone. Leave me! You are not sorry!
I'm sorry!
You are not sorry! Leave me! I am tired, Jamike. I can't come to here. I am tired.
Please,
leave me alone! What is it?
She said she don't want you. Leave her. Don't be a woman rapper.
Are you talking to me?
Woman rapper.
Jamike! Jamike, you touch me! Leave me alone! What is it?
Please, can you do it? I'm begging you, calm down! Are you not a human being? Are you God? I'm saying I'm sorry. You're not taking it.
You're shouting at me?
Yes!
Jamike, I am even complaining about what you did and you are shouting at me? Jesus Christ. Jamike, I beg you in the name of God, everything you hold dear, let me go! Jamike, if you touch me one more time,
Beke,
you touch...
Beke, accept this apology. Accept it now. Don't make me angry.
What? Babe, it's still ringing. Come and pick his call. Please, just answer him now. It's okay.
Nancy, please. I'm not picking his call. For how long will this continue?
Babe, you need to calm down, eh? You've been enduring this thing for long. I know that one day God will change him.
Which God? Nancy, this is not a matter of God. This is Jamike's personal character. This is his life. One day I'll wake up and I'll hear that Jamike has killed someone. What do? I am done with this relationship. I am not going back to him. Never.
No, babe, don't say that.
Don't tell me not to say that because there is nothing else I would say. You know, sometimes I just wish Jamike has the kind of character a boy has. Although people think that he's lily, but my dear, I prefer him that way. He is just my kind of man. Perfect, gentle, calm.
Babe, but he's nice though. It's just his temper.
That is the issue. His temper. I can't deal. I am done. I can't enjoy it anymore.
Okay, why not just answer him? Just one more time.
Nancy.
Just one.
Nancy, please. Drop it.
Okay, pick your call now. What is all this? Pick your call now. Eh? Is it bad for someone to have bad temper?
Baby, must stand with me. Just show me love. Or even more.
Okay, pick your call. Pick your call. God, what is happening to me? Eh? Why can she not just overlook this single fault of mine? Why?
Ajaram kinara na faranginanya. Makamera mu promise you. I know.
Chika!
Ah, boy. Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you. I bless
You're
God.
looking good.
Thank you very much. Oh, God be the glory.
Yes.
Are you just coming?
Oh no, I've been around for a couple hours, but I was with Mama and she told me how you've been helping her at home with a lot of house chores.
So
I really appreciate
It's the Lord's doing. It's the Lord's doing. Don't mention.
Thank you
nothing.
very much.
It's nothing.
Thank you.
Are you going back now?
Yes, I did not plan to sleep over, but you know, I promise you, when next I'm coming, I'll buy you some beautiful packages.
Are you serious? Thank you very much.
But hold on.
God bless you.
What is it? Auntie, what now?
Grandma.
Eh? Grandma?
Yeah. Grandma is dead.
Which grandma?
Your grandma.
My mother is dead. Hey! Hey! I'm in trouble. My mother is dead. My own mother is dead. Chime! Eh? How do I mem?
Grandma is dead.
I am finished. Hey!
Mom is okay now. Let me take you there.
My mother is dead, Nugula. Hey!
Jamike, truth be told, you cannot continue to beg me like this. For how long? I mean, is this how we are going to get married?
I'm sorry now. I'm begging you. I'm sorry. Listen, I've realized. See, I've realized there's a very, very serious evil spirit that is disturbing me and needs to be cured. I've realized that. I need deliverance. I'm saying it with my mouth. Can't you see it? Please, just forgive me.
It's okay, but this is not what we should talk about this morning. I need to go to school. I'm running late already.
Fine.
No, but listen. When I get back, we need to sit and talk. Serious talk.
I will wait for you already. I'll be here. Okay, don't worry. I'll take you to school. You know I can't do anything for you. Just don't be angry with me. I'll take you to school myself. Oh. We came. Baby.
Obvious to me. I made a mistake yesterday. I should have killed them. But this time around, they cannot escape me.
Listen now, this is not a fight you can fight all alone. Because Siano, don't go. Biko.
How can you go to fight when the youths are there?
Youths? Which youths?
The youth of this community.
Listen to me. Once a soldier, always a soldier. The youth to talk about. Have they ever gone to war? No! This is not the protest march. You carry leaves and you start protesting. We don't go agree with you. No. This is not a luta continua. I will tell you one basic fact. Those Fulani herdsmen, I am going to cut their heads off one by one.
Nah, you know, it's not fair that a man will release his cow to go and destroy another man's farmland.
Oh, they will pretend they don't know what they are doing, but they do. Let me tell you one thing. If you got today, you Fulani herdsmen, I come after you. Wait for me. You have signed your death warrant. You will feel me.
Just take it easy.
Take care of your house. I go to war. Hey! 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 Hey!
What happened to him?
Old soldier was attacked.
The herdsmen were many. The youths ran away. We called old soldier. Old soldier, come back. He refused. Old soldier, come back. He refused. They killed him.
No, Papa. Papa. Papa.
Jamike, be a man. Eh? You don't have to cry too much. It has happened. Your father died a hero.
What kind of hero was he, Uncle? Don't tell me that! What kind of heroism was that? How can all the youth in the village run away and allow old men to go to war?
Your father was very stubborn. Norma here will bear me witness. We'll try to save him, but he wouldn't listen.
Papa!
He said those soldiers don't die. Even Okoye will bear me witness. He was the one that came and called him. They attacked 2 days ago. Yesterday they came back again. And look at what happened.
I swear if nothing is done about this, I will set this village ablaze. Both the cattlemen and the villagers, I will set everybody aflame.
No, my son. No, don't do what your father did, so that what kill your father will not kill you.
Oh, cool, if you don't shut up your mouth now, I'll strangle you now. You have put it on any that you want me to kill you?
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. You want to kill him? What's wrong with you?
They have killed my brother. That is what is wrong with me.
I want to kill him. Leave him alone now, Jamike. Look at me now.
They have wasted Papa's life like that, and you are telling me don't commit
murder. Look at me now. Because they are not Nambiko, no one Biko, no what to say. Soldier, where are you? Always in the old soldier now. Wow. Hi.
Mama, I don't understand this. Why would your sister not call you on time?
I've already spoken to them about it. You need to stop crying. We've passed that stage. The only problem now is how to bury Grandma. Where does one raise the money for the burial from? Muman, as the first daughter Zada, I am meant to bring the largest amount of money for burial.
Mama, stop disturbing yourself. You cannot kill yourself because of this. After all, you have a brother that's the eldest son. He should bring the largest part of the money.
Your uncle? Does he have anything? Your uncle has nothing. Eh? Yeah. That is the problem. Hi. If only I had a rich son-in-law, I wouldn't be talking like this. The man would have just taken care of all the bills now. There won't be any suffering. Maggie, I beg you to marry that man then. You refused. If you had married him, I won't be complaining now.
Mama, you want me to marry a rich man so that if Grandma dies, he will give you money? Okay, let me ask you. What happens to me after the burial?
If you want to give him now.
Mama, this is not fair. Let her do what she wants to do. She is in love with Jamike.
Ha! Love, because that love will die. What are we talking about? See how Jamike's father died. That's how he died. And I can assure you that Jamike will die the same way.
Mama,
that family is too noisy, and you're not going to marry into that family. In short, I want to advise you to start thinking of how to let that boy go. How to tell him that it is over.
Mama.
Mom.
Thank you, my love. I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How is your mother?
Well, she's there. She's good, though. She's there. What can we do? I heard what happened, so I came to sympathize with you. Mama, Ndo-o.
You're welcome.
Ndo-o. Skasi. Ewo. Mama, Ndo-o.
He makes me cry the more.
You don't know where you're at.
I'm trying to jide myself. I'm trying.
You don't know where you're at. Oh.
The painful thing is, if only I had a son-in-law that would help me, I would be crying like this. Hey.
Mama.
Do you know how much we need? Let's go to burial. 1 million naira.
If I had a son-in-law, whether rich or not, as long as there's money, we won't be complaining.
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Why am I here? We can sit down and discuss these things and see a way to.
What about teaching your cash? It's not only on.
Yes, so we can discuss about it.
Let us see. I'm going to sit down. Come on, sit. Sit. No.
I'm not going to Tom.
May the peace of the Lord be with you all. Adonde, Golibe, you guys are here. Good evening.
Mama, oh Chika.
Oh, yeah, no.
Chika, imakaze.
Thank you. The Lord has been faithful to me in the village.
Chika is a born again. Mama. In fact, Chika and Jesus is like this. When she speaks one like this, Jesus will answer. Period. Very home-trained child. Very nice daughter. She has been helping me, washing my clothes, washing plate. If we can come and everywhere to the chaplain, it's Chika. No.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
thank you.
God bless you.
So I invited her to come so that you people will see her. I want your brother, to marry her. Chika, go inside and wait for me. You will see those clothes on the bed, my clothes. Help me to fold them.
So, Jamike, you said you're going to help me on this burial issue.
Although Becky and I are not married yet, but there's nothing the son-in-law can do for you that I will not do. I just need her to be happy.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention my love. It's okay, You don't have to thank me. I'm doing what I should do. Okay? So, Mama, I have decided to support you with 800,000 naira.
What? Jamike?
Yes.
No, listen to me. You don't have to do this. You have a burial as well. You shouldn't do.
You have your father's burial as well.
I know.
What's your problem,
Mama?
Did he tell you he doesn't know he has to bury his father? The man is just being kind, and you're stopping him. What is your problem?
It's okay. It's okay not to worry, okay? Even if it means me borrowing for my father's burial, I will, but I just need to help, okay? I want you to be happy.
Oh, Jamike, thank you so much. Thank you. Mana, to be honest with you, if you can round it up to 1 million, it will be perfect. That's why you will not start looking for change, you know. For me to return change or for you to... 1 million will be just perfect. It will make me happy.
Mama. Yes. What is this now? Has he not tried?
That's
Mama, why are you like this? What is this you're doing?
What have I done? Is 1 million too much?
Okay, I'll make it 1 million.
Hey! Okay, what? That's why I talk about you.
Jamike, listen to me. You don't have to do this. Trust me, you have something bigger at hand. I think you should face that.
I know, but I need to do this to make you happy. I know, if I don't do it, who will?
Nobody is nobody will do it. Because you're the man on board now. Hey!
Hey, Jamike! That is why they call you Jamike.
Hey! Maria! Hey! Mama, Giliki, what did you say?
I sent for her so that your brother boy will marry her. She's mature. This is for her.
Mommy, who's that?
Hey! What is all this? Mama, this one will not work. How? It will not work, oh.
Mama, chalo. Chika! Mama, do you realize that we are age mates? She is the same age with me, Mama.
That is why I invited her. I need somebody that is mature. full-grown woman that will take care of her boy, that will pamper her boy. Hey!
Mama! Is it not enough that you people are calling me a boy? You call me a boy and now you want to bring someone that is older than me to pamper me. Mama kedi for. Mama we fe Maggie. Mama we fe Maggie. I got the white kid to call no bam. Kone nye malaka na. Mama why? Mama why? Hey!
Mama, Biko. What is it? What is it?
Chika. Mama, Chika and I, we used to be in the same class. Mama, Chika almost taught me bad things. Mama, you can't walk.
But she's not a born again.
Mama Chelo, no.
She has repented.
Mama Chelo, see that her waist. Mama, if you know how many things that have entered that place, you will not say this again. Mama, you can't walk.
Mama, you don't walk. Golibe, Chika, front and back. Hey! Mama, you can't walk. Cha. Hey!
Mama, what is this? Why are you like this? This is not fair now.
What have I done? I've done nothing. The only good thing here is that my mother will be buried. She will be buried in style. It will be the talk of town.
Mama, you said it here that all you and your family needed was 600,000 to bury my grandmother. Immediately you saw Jamaica, you changed it to ₦1 million. Even when he offered to give you 800,000, you were still not happy.
What's your problem? Is it your money? Is that why you wanted to spoil the deal for me? Ha! Please, after the burial, at least I will still have some change in my hand. What he's been doing to you? Has he been paying?
Mama.
For years.
Mama, you know I am still battling if I'll marry Jamaica or not. Yet you made him commit himself to giving you that kind of money. Why?
That's not a problem. After all these years, you've been doing it with him. Yes, did he pay you any money? He didn't give me. If the relationship finally scatters, everything goes with the relationship. We start another relationship. Because I'm stressed. By the way, when is he paying? Do you still have my account number? Let me send it to you so you will send it to him so he can send the money. Yes, now.
Mama, I hope when I'm ready to get married, you're not going to use me for this. Because this is trade by barter.
Okay. When she's about to get married, can you hear? This one is not even ready. You've not even passed jam. And I know how. She will not marry anything useful. So it's better we make the money from your side so that we can be sending some to her. You think I've not been seeing you with that carpenter under hook watch? Such an ambition. A whole principal. Having a child that is looking at a carpenter? Not even a good one. The one that knocks school or Chomaka together. What?
Ichi, I'm here.
Good, you have to be here with us. I sent for you because I wanted you to be here while we discuss this. Ichi, over to you.
Jamaica, we are here to discuss about your father's burial, which is nearby.
Oh, okay.
So after going through the process of burying a cabinet member, we have come to tell you that you will kill 2 cows for him. That's amongst other things that are in this list. You check it, you calculate, and you know how much you are going to use in burying him. Take the list. It's not even too much.
I'll buy some.
But my father just newly joined the cabinet chiefs before he passed. So why all of this? And you're asking him asking us to provide all these things for his burial? 3 million naira, mama. Where do you want me to get that kind of money from? Listen, remove his name from that What did he even get in that cabinet as a member?
A member is always a member no matter when he joins.
No, a member is not always a member.
Don't tell me that! What is all this? 3 million naira gesebe webute?
No, we are not going to do that too. We can't do that. There are other traditional rites he would have performed while he was alive. He didn't do them. Now you are going to be the one to perform them for you.
Remove his name from this list, though. What did he even gain as a member of the cabinet? You are coming to tell us to provide 3 million naira for his burial and I give... Remove my father's name from this list. What? Tell them all. Remove my father's name from this list.
You would have indicated when he was alive. Jamike, you are walking out on us?
But this money is too much. Where do you get that kind of money from?
Whether he tier list or not, he is going to perform them. It's not me that wrote it.
Ichie, but that is too much. Eh? Where will he get such an amount of money? Did you tell me that you are his brother now?
That boy.
Which boy? Hey. In fact, he's there alone. Hi with the mayor.
Mama, that's not possible. You don't want us to go hungry after the burial.
Mama, brother is right. Since Papa died fighting for the community, can't they take care of his burial?
Thank you, Norma. Oh, Mama. Did you hear what she just said? Papa died because of this community. He died in war front because of them. And they're not even thinking of contributing anything towards his burial. Instead, they're asking us to provide 3 million and 2 cows.
My son, don't worry. Oh, I will still talk to Ichie. Let me see what they can contribute towards his burial. But if they refuse, that means we'll have to bury your father the normal way, not as a cabinet member.
Yes, so we'll bury him the normal way. Tell them not to because the thing is beginning to get me angry now. They should not provoke me, oh. They should not provoke me, oh. And they are bringing more bodies upon me. I have 2 burials to do now. I don't even know where to start. And they are bringing this their long list. Beef.
Did I hear you well? 2 burials?
Yes, Mama, you heard me right. Beke's grandmother is dead. Do you know how much I'm going to spend on that?
Brother,
are you the one to do the burial?
But you're not married to Beke yet. How can you say you have 2 burials to do?
Will you stop talking rubbish? What do you know?
No, don't start. Oh. Now,
get this one.
Sorry, we have heard you. Oh.
Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry now.
Mama, this is not fair. This is not fair. You received a lot of money from grandmother's burial. All I'm asking is that you refund Jamike's money, or better still, lend him the money. He needs to bury his own father.
I don't know why you're talking rubbish. Lend him money. I'm not lending him anything. Look, the money that Jamike gave us, he gave us out of his own free will. He used it to support the burial as part of the supporters club. So please don't tell me to refund anything, Biko.
Mama, yes, I agree. He did not just give us money. He came with a cow and drinks. Mama, Jamike has been very nice to us. Just support him, even if it's a little. Please.
The young man is not asking. He doesn't need the money. Eh? So why would I offer him money that he didn't ask for? He doesn't even need it, please. Why are you crying more than the bereaved?
Mama, this is hatred. This is complete hatred. I know why I'm saying this. I know why I'm telling you this, because I don't want Jamike to use anything against me if this marriage thing does not work out.
Biko, give him his money. Sister, even you say you have a problem. Choose your struggle. Are you still getting married to him or not? If you don't want to marry him, then let him know.
Aloma, please, take your time. Take your time. Don't I have the right to change my mind to something that doesn't give me internal happiness? Eh? That is why I hate it each time Mama collects money from him. I have said it before and I'm saying it again.
Each time I remember Jamike's temper, it gives me high fever.
Just look at what he did during grandmother's burial. He almost forced the use of this village. I don't even know how to tell him this. Mama Biko, Ejim Chukwu Ayogi.
Give him back his money. That is all I'm asking. Please. Please, you're talking too much.
Refund which money? Let me even ask you a question. Since this boy has been dating you, how many years running now? Has he given me anything for sleeping with you? Or hasn't he been sleeping with you? Nenu quick on Abasa. He's been sleeping with you and he hasn't paid anything. So don't even talk to me about refunding the money, because I will not.
Does he pay you to sleep with you?
Jamike, after our last meeting, Igwe sent us with this. Take it now. That's a check of 150,000 naira.
For the burial?
Yes. That is the help the community can render. Please, take it and manage it.
This is rubbish.
And also, remember to buy the necessary items as tradition demands. Because that day, the elders will eat and drink.
Inside this 150,000 naira, can this even buy one cow? I don't get it. I thought you people were going... Excuse me. Hello, Aloma. Yes, I'm home. I'm with some elders. Now? Is she ready? Okay. Tell her I'm coming to pick her. Now, I'm coming right away. Yes. My elders, we have to continue this meeting tomorrow. I have to take my baby back to school this evening.
Jamie, how could you do that when we still have things to discuss?
I said we are done for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.
And you have a meeting with the whole cabinet tomorrow morning.
Which baby is he talking about? Which baby is he talking about? Omotagonwa.
His girlfriend, if you don't know.
Mama, why are you sounding like this? Why are you saying this? Why am I saying it? Mama, it's not...
Mama.
Hey! Jamie, oh.
Thank you, Kedu. My love, we have to be going now, okay? So I can come back early. You might have to come back today.
Are you sure you can make it back to the village today?
Of course. So I just said to come go drop you in school, then come back because we have to continue that meeting. It's very important.
No, thank you. Hi! Abili akposia mo nko.
Ewo, inwere mmili.
So pure water. You know, I've been working so hard. I've been so busy. I've not had time to take anything.
You can go tell me Coke.
Coke, I'm on solve here. Jadi sugar. So Imago, but if I had a bottle of wine, it would just clear my throat and my chest would be clear. I don't know who would even buy that kind of thing for me. Yeah?
What do you need a bottle of wine for? Moreover, we have some bottles of wine left inside the house. Go and take one of them, please.
You don't even know the difference between non-alcoholic and alcoholic. Cause was there, but non-alcoholic. I need the alcoholic one to clear the chest. It's okay. God will always provide.
Don't worry, Mama. This is about 10,000.
Hi.
That's the only money I have here.
Hi, nah.
But what will happen is when I'm coming back, I will withdraw from the ATM.
Oh, nah. God bless you. Thank you.
Oh, I will withdraw.
Are you sure you?
No, I will withdraw from the ATM.
You will withdraw?
Yes.
Mama, I don't like this.
What?
I don't like this. Moreover, you heard him. That's the last money he has with him. He's going to drop me in school. What do you expect him to give to me?
He will go to ATM now and withdraw before dropping you. No, ATM. And then phone transfer.
Mobile transfer.
Up you're too much.
Okay, Kaijebe. I'm going to tell you the thing. I'm going to tell you
you wouldn't know my brand. Let me buy it myself. Don't worry. I know where to. I got a principal camp on to the Orlando.
Okay, Mama.
Ngwajano. Hey. Mom is more than 10,000. Chalopano. Fabani got cut off. 15. This boy, your mother, Grego. Apollo. Hey.
Ugodia, you have to caution your son. How could he abandon the elders here and left to carry his girlfriend back to school?
Jay, please, I am sorry. I am very sorry. Please help me talk to the elders. Oh, I will talk to him.
This is getting out of hand. My brother's love for Beke is making him misbehave. He's not doing the right thing.
Yes. How could he kill a cow for that girl's grandmother's burial when he has not buried his own father? Huh? And his late father, also never killed a cow to bury his own father. Don't you know it's an abomination? An abomination!
Mama, I'm finished too. Mama, I'm finished.
Brother, what is it?
Hey! My car, my phones, my money, gone.
Chimo.
Gone, oh.
Chimo. Hey. Chimo. Hey! Ah! Nah, who didn't enjoy you?
My car is gone, and what was the motto?
Your car is gone like that. Ah! Who did I steal his own? Who did I take her own? Who is doing this to me, Chimo? Ah! Ah!
I want to see Okobayalebaka village for Kanra. Who is doing this to me? Who did I offend? Who is doing this to me? They just took the car, took the phones, even the money I withdrew. I was going to pay the DJ and other people for preparation. They took everything.
Your car gone like that.
You could have stayed back in the city and come back tomorrow morning.
Amam banga funduri. Amam nebeli meneche bunoza amam.
Kakuke.
Hey!
Kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this?
I'm on my way to school. I don't want to hear any bad news.
Mama, it's Jamike. Jamike was robbed last night. His money, everything in his car.
Thank God they did not take his life.
Mama, is all you're saying?
Am I the robber?
Wasn't it your daughter he went to drop in school last night that this thing happened? Oh. He even gave you 1 million naira.
Did anybody force him to drop my daughter? Hey, he gave me 1 million, so yeah, listen, go and do what your sister asked you to do. After that, you go inside and do the one I asked you to do. Then you sit and study for JAMB. You know now, you're not as smart as your sister. So you need to study.
I can one man. What is your problem? Because one more. I want to conceal the vice here.
I really don't know why this will happen to Jamike. Why would such a thing befall him?
That is bad. But please don't worry yourself too much. I know he will overcome it. Only God knows why it happened.
I'm telling you.
If only he had listened to you, not to
Yes. That is one thing I don't like about him. He is too stubborn. I know this whole thing happened because of me, but the issue now is that I can't even go to the village to see him.
No. We have to get ready and leave. We have exams and we are late. There's no time. Hurry up.
You see? How could you have left the city that late? We'll go there. I told you that burial goes with a lot of temptation.
Ajay, it's okay now. It's okay. This is no time to blame him. He's made a mistake already. You could be there or this year. We must flog it. Jamike, please prepare and go to the police and make entry.
What happens to his meeting with the elders this morning?
Okay, what do you even care about? The meeting or my well-being?
I care about both. If you had listened to me, this wouldn't have happened. And if you had not taken that foolish girl back, this wouldn't have occurred.
Yeah.
Who did you just call a foolish girl?
Hey!
Who did you call a foolish girl? What is called a foolish girl?
Your son is killing me.
Now get out of this compound.
Okay, sorry, please.
Out!
Hey, sorry. Hey, you're a woman mad. Hey.
Why would you open his mouth to call her a foolish girl?
Is that what?
Oh, why enemy and his son?
Why will you blame him like that?
Hey!
Hey! That's why you girls keep their corruption now.
Hey!
Around your way. You're not putting your boy. Around your way.
Nancy.
Aboy, good morning.
Good morning. But I would like it better if you call me Pat.
Oh, sorry, Pat.
Thank you very much. So how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Yes.
You called me that you were coming, but your baby's not here.
Well, I know her lodge, so I wasn't looking for her. I'm actually here to see your roommate, Becky.
Oh,
is she around?
Yes, she will soon be coming now. We're leaving for school.
Babe, did you see my
Becky. Hi.
Abo is there to see you.
Yes, how are you?
See me. I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I can see you girls are going to school. Can I please give you a ride? She said yes.
If you have the time.
I have the whole day.
Thank you.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
It is important. Oh, them back. So they will help us look for your car. God is great.
Hey. For moto.
Hey.
Osando, you have heard?
Nam, I'm fine. You have seen the problem. From one problem to the other.
But Diego, I didn't even know you people have heard it already.
Heard what?
What kind of question is that? Was I not the one that was robbed?
He was robbed yesterday.
Who was robbed?
Sunday, what kind of question is that? I was robbed yesterday, my car was taken away, my phones, everything. Is that why you are here?
Chineke.
His car was taken, everything!
Chineke. Hey! Your car was robbed. No wonder I've been trying to call you on phone. I couldn't get you.
I tried reaching you too, your phone wasn't going through.
Hey, Mbano. I can't say this. I can't tell you why I'm here. How am I going to break this news? This is... Hey.
This thing is...
What do you mean, how are you going to tell me why you are here? Can't you say why you are
Something happened. Something happened. I'm hearing another one.
Osando, what happened?
What happened?
Hey, Osando. What happened now? Something happened.
Nancy, it's obvious it's not going to work between Uloma and I anymore. I've tried to make your friend understand, but she doesn't even listen to me. She said she doesn't want again, but I'm not giving up. I am not. Nancy, please, I need you to help me and talk to her. I know she listens to you. I have liked that girl since I have loved her since the very first time I set my eyes on her. Bikun.
Pat, I know. But I told you she's seen someone and she loves him at that. I don't think it will work.
No. I mean, it's nothing. I know she's very beautiful, so I do not expect her not to have someone trying to. You know, every guy would want a beautiful girl like her. But the truth is this. I care about her more than all these guys. So, I am not giving up. Please, help me. I am not going to rest until I have her as my own, like, all to myself.
Okay, Pat, you know what I will do? I will try, but please, don't keep your hopes high.
Nancy, to let you know how serious I am, and that I will not back down for any reason. If you help me do this, if you help me make this work, I will give you 200,000 naira.
What? You will give me...
You heard me. 200,000. For you alone, it's not like it's for you two to share. I mean, she will get hers differently. Just for you alone. You see, you're smiling. Okay, now, you can imagine how grateful she will be when I start spoiling her too. She'll be very grateful to you. Please.
Don't worry at all. You know what? Just leave everything to me.
Okay. I am counting on you.
Sure.
And your check will be ready.
Oh, okay.
Have
Don't
a
worry.
good day.
Thank you.
I'll call you.
Okay.
All right.
Why my friend? In the shop.
Hey!
The fire started from his shop. Oh. Before he enters okay shop, we tried to stop it. No way. Everything in your shop got burnt. Only your shop.
Hey!
How?
Why?
Mama, this is not ordinary.
Hey!
Just yesterday, brother's car was stolen. And now his shop.
Why, God? Why?
This is not ordinary.
It's okay.
Why did only my shop get burnt? What did I do?
We don't know.
Hey! Mama, they have turned me to a poor man overnight too.
Hey!
What? When? Oh no, this is not happening. This is not happening. Where are you? Jesus Christ. Is mom back? Okay, you know what? Just stay right there, okay? Don't move, I'll call you back. Alright, okay. What happened? Chamiki. His shop got burnt to ashes.
My God! How? When did it happen?
I don't know. Aloma just called me that a friend of his came in to inform him this afternoon.
My God, that is bad. I feel for him, but why is it happening to him at this point?
Nancy, I have to go and see him.
No, you're not going anywhere. You have exams. You can't go and see him now. You know what? You can go and see him over the weekend.
Ugo dear, I will not follow you home. Your son insulted me upon that. I still pleaded with the elders to have pity on him.
My husband, Nai, Ichiem, you're not doing it for my son. You are doing it for me. Remember my late husband and the relationship that existed between both of you. On account of that, please forgive my son. Pardon him. You know he has anger issue, has anger problem.
I am tired of that. I am tired of that. Is he the only one that has Obioko? Is he the only one that has temper problem?
No, but his own is too much.
Listen to me. Your son has committed an abomination and the nemesis has come after him.
Ichi, how? What did he do?
Out of love, your son killed a cow for the burial of Agnes's mother. When his father never killed a cow for his own father. He has not even buried old soldier. And he has killed a cow for another.
Ichi, could it be why he's going through all these problems now?
Not could it be. It is. First, he has to appease the gods. It's no longer the elders, so it's now the whole community. And all I can do for you is to find out what he will use to appease the gods. As for your home, I will not come. I'm still suffering from what he did to me yesterday. Hey. Ha! Ha! Go there, you see what I told you earlier. Eh? If I talk now, your son will choke life out of me.
Ichie, tell us your finding now. Eh? Tell us your findings.
Ichie, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for the way I treated you. You see, I don't want to be poor again. I know how much I suffered. I know what it took me before I was able to leave this village. I don't want to go back to that condition.
Ichie, Biko, help us. Biko.
Well, my finding is that you committed abomination against the gods of this land and against your late father.
How?
You did a bad thing by giving a cow to Agnes to bury her mother, when you haven't even buried your own father.
Could that be the reason?
What could it? It is the reason for all the calamities that have befallen you. And I'm even told that more are coming if you do not appease the gods.
Huh? I'm finished too. I did that out of love.
But they counted against you.
Hey!
Ichie, please, what do we do?
Huh? You have to provide 5 goats, 3 tubers of yam, a cock, and many other things that we need to cleanse you. Then afterwards you bury your father with 2 cows, 1 for him and then 1 for your grandfather.
That means everything in my account is drained now, including people's money that I have in my account. How can I purchase all these things each year? Mama, that means I may not go back to the city anymore. I'll just come and start living in this village. That is what it implies. Because whatever be the case, I will do it. I have to do it.
From America. Mama. Eh? What a sudden visit.
Mama, I'm done with my exams. I am now.
Yeah! Hey, Jesus! He's so from an infant canano. And now a mother of a graduate.
Yes, Mama.
That's why I'm a principal now.
I agree to Ma.
Mama, this is my friend Patrick. He decided to bring me home.
Okay, Patrick. Mr. Decider, you're welcome. No, Chai.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Name of Mama, you're a handsome boy. You have khaki in your hand. You came with car. Of course, you said you decided to bring her home. I thought maybe you used keke. Wait! What kind of car? I hope he has AC.
Just a small camera.
But is there space at the back for him? Now sit down! Sit down, Nambo.
Aloma, please come with me. There are some things to do. I have to return.
Go and help your sister. Go and help your sister. Well, come. You can just do it. Go!
Mama, I'll be back.
Okay.
No, you're back.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you.
I saw the kid today. She's back.
What, where?
I saw her on my way back. She said she'll come and see you. I saw her with one man that was driving her in his car. They went to her house.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, yes. She said she'll come and see you.
Tell Mama I'm coming.
Where are you going? Brother? Mama? I'm back. He went out.
You didn't even drink the water I brought for you.
Oh, when are you going to send your project?
Mama, let's have this. He's leaving. You can have his glasses.
Thank you. Possibly in 2 weeks' time. I'm even thinking of walking my NYC to Lagos. That's not a problem now. I know somebody that can help us.
Yes, Mama. I already told her not to worry herself about it. And there's something else I want to tell you, Ma. I love your daughter so much. And I would love to make her my wife. Yes, Ma. It's only that she gives me a hard time, Ma. I need you to help me. I mean, don't we look good together?
I'm looking. You people are like picture from America. I'm telling you. Of course you look good together. I like what you've just said.
Thank you, Ma.
But not to worry. When you're gone, I will talk to her. And sign easy. Eh? You people will make a good couple.
Hey, my love. You're back. When did you arrive?
I just came in.
Ogene, you don't want to hug me?
Didn't you see we were talking? What did you do? I even saw your sister. I told her I was going to come and see you later. Just go home, okay? Go home.
One DJ.
Who is he?
Jamike, please. I would appreciate it if you would leave my compound. You're embarrassing my visitor. I mean, my son-in-law.
Eh?
What did I hear you say? I think he said Eh? Wait! Who is the son-in-law?
Jamike, you shouldn't have done that. He didn't do anything to you. Why did you hit him like that? I think you should go later in the evening. Now, come on.
Yeah, okay. Why here? Get out of this compound now before he get here now. Yeah, Mama, talk to him. I'm going to have him arrested. I will arrest him. Eh? You have me arrested.
Jamike,
Mama. Wait, you think you can dump me?
No.
You think you can dump me because of this fool? Makoye flower.
Jamike.
Mama, Sebala, what him?
Point of correction, eh? He is not your man. You hear me? You left him. Do you want him to live all his life single? No. You got interested in my friend. I think you're broke now. That is why you want to come back to our boy's life. And since you've graduated, you're broke. That is why you want to come back. Broke. You are late, my friend.
Me, hold on, I'm broke.
You are late, eh?
No problem.
You are late.
The both of you should wait for me.
No wahala.
It's because you don't have a boyfriend. Since year one, do you have a boyfriend? That's why you are so jealous. You want to put asunder between me and a boy. But it won't work for you. Go and tell that your stupid friend that I'm coming back. Tell her that. Rubbish. Akuna.
Broke ass. You want a boy back, Abi?
I don't.
You want a boy back. Look at you. You want to come and spoil show for me. You want a boy back.
Okay, what is now? I'm trying to get this thing that you know. I'm going to get an Tell people here. Okay. Jack out. Why can't tell them?
Yeah. Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, what can
you do, Nyala? Eh? Beke.
Mama, see what you have caused. Why did you say that now? What? How can you call him in-law?
Who was that? Hey, Mama.
Hey. Mama, see what you have caused.
Make sure me. Mama, why did you do that? Why would you call him your in-law in front of Jamike? What was that? But he said he wants to marry you and I've accepted. Yes. You have accepted, I've accepted. Why did you do that? Mama, I don't like this, so I don't. Patrick, just calm down. Everything will be fine. Patrick, I mean a boy. Please, you should start leaving now. Take her and leave. Bianwan, go and bring your sister's bag. I don't want trouble. Jamike will still look for her in school. Go and bring the bag first.
I think Mama is right.
Yes.
Mama, you are very right.
I know.
Please get your things. Let me take you to the city.
Yes.
Let's just leave this place at once.
He's
a madman.
Baba, go to Namoto. Go with her. Enter the car. Enter the car.
He might come back.
I we will talk on the phone. Get in.
Mama, avoid.
Take her. Look, if it's about the bag, she's wasting time. Buy a new bag.
Mama, do you think he was waiting along the road?
No. Just hurry up. Buy brown pants, new ones for her. Gabano. Because this boy is a very dangerous boy. A mad boy is dangerous. You know? In short. Bye, go.
You're running there! Okay, Jack out of come on, no one.
Look at the money. Look at the money the young man gave me. Even in the midst of trouble. Can you imagine how much he would have given me if everywhere was calm? Hi. Jamie, wherever you are, it will never be well with you. Mama. Oh, Guinea.
What you did was wrong. You shouldn't have said that in front of him. You called him in-law. Why?
So? What is wrong with calling the young man in-law? Is he not? The young man says he loves my daughter. That means he wants to marry her. Hi. Something I've always dreamed about is about to happen. My daughter. That is my in-law. If Jamike likes, let him go all over the village screaming and say whatever he likes. That's his business, or Basaram.
Mama, this is not fair. Jamike has done so much for us. Even if sister wants to break up with him, at least not this way.
Which other way? No. How do they break up with somebody? See, it is good to break up with somebody once. Why? Give him the information. That way you have one heart attack and that's it. You recover from it. No, Jamike. Must she marry him?
Mama, you know Jamike. If he comes here now, I don't want his trouble. You know he's very troublesome. I can't stand it.
Hey, what can Jamike do? I can handle Jamike. If he likes, let him speak from one corner of the village to the other. Besides, let me tell you, the young man's younger sister is a police officer.
Mama Becky! Mama Becky! Mama Becky! Mama Becky! Mama Becky! You are running there? You are running there, you locked the door on me. Okay. You think your daughter will dump me and get away with it? I got you. Keep running, no! Keep running.
She wants
everything. I got food.
Which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I'm equal to the task. The only reason I ran inside was because he took me by surprise. Yes. Hey!
Mama, No, don't run now.
No, who is running? I'm not running. I just want to go and keep the money before you steal it. Yes. My son, you don't have to rush to city so fast.
Mama, I'm going there. They will see me there this evening. What's the meaning of this, eh? Do you know how much I've invested in that girl? I will kill her and kill the boy. She cannot dump me. She must marry me. I told him, Mama.
Is that what you want for yourself?
Mama, brother is right. He's now in the village all because of the love he has for her.
I know. But that's not the way to go about it. This is something we have to sit down and talk about.
Sit down and talk when they don't want to listen.
Marriage or by force?
I'll go by force, by force. Can now by force.
See, let me go and see Agnes. Let's talk about it. Oh, Biko, just watch over the food on the fire.
Where are you going?
Let me go and see Agnes now.
Okay. Go and see Agnes. If you don't come back and you know you've not seen me there this evening. Can you imagine that? She wants to dump me. Lana Guinea me. But you, Nako de Attack.
Let me go and check what Mama asked me to do.
No problem.
Let me go and know what is happening there. Mama!
Where is Agnes? Agnes! Where is your mother?
What have your mother and your sister done to my son? Has my son done anything wrong to both of them, apart from loving them more than they deserve?
It's okay,
Mama.
It hasn't gotten to that. It's okay.
Aloma, I will slap you. What do you think you're doing? Come slap her. Living without what? Are you stupid?
Ibonyawa, let me tell you something. I don't care about your choice of words. You can rant, rave, scream as much as you can, or what's wrong. Let me ask you a question. Did I borrow money from you? Did I borrow money from you and your son? Did you people lend me money? You people should leave me alone. Do you understand what I'm saying? Did I give my daughter to you as collateral? Did I? Is that how you want to put it? Oh, but that is how it is. How else you want? Please leave my compound. Leave my compound. Let me tell you, your son and my daughter, yes, they are having an affair. They haven't even decided which way they are going, whether they are marrying or not or whatever. You're coming here to harass my life. Please get out of my compound. I will go. No problem. Nonsense. But you will regret it. My daughter will never marry your son. Or not possible. I will regret it.
Mama, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing
this? Are you mad? Are you mad? Why? Are you stupid? Next time I'll slap on the eye and the mouth. It couldn't be here. Look at her crying like a small girl.
Who is that guy that he could react that way to you people? Who born him? Who is his father?
Frank. You are not even as upset as I am. That guy provoked me. It's just that I did not want to take the laws into my own hands. You know, I come from a very peaceful family. When you're Jimmy, you almost injured me. Jesus. Yes. It's just, you know, I just did not want to call my sister to have him arrested.
Guy, this is not the issue of the police. This is what you and I can handle. I wish I could set my eyes on that bastard, that mascot. I would have dealt with him.
Ross, it hasn't gotten to that point. I just want Jamike and I to settle in peace. I don't want violence in this, please.
But when he's going about it, do you think he can calm down and listen to us?
He will calm down. I know Jamike very well. Please, babe, I need to go to the village and have a talk with him. Please.
Baby, he's a madman. What if he attacks you and injures you?
He won't hurt me. Jamike won't hurt me.
Beke! Where's Beke?
Bros, what's the meaning of this?
Where's Beke? Where is she?
She's not here. Why did you slap me?
If you... I will destroy everything in this house. Where is she?
Okay. Calm down. I'll tell you, she's not here. She's in Pat's place.
Who is Pat? Who is Pat? Take me there now. Now! Move it.
I'm going.
Don't take me there now.
In a while, when we run out of bread, he doesn't even give us money to buy better bread from those big shops. How about this 2 naira bread by the roadside? Is that what we are talking about? Please, Biko, there's nothing that I'm paying back. I will not pay back. But let me even ask you. Is marriage by force?
No. But.
There is no but. There can never be a but. It's either you want to marry or you do not want to marry. So, Biko, my daughter has said that she does not want to marry Jamike. I don't see what... There's no big deal in it now. Ogini don't know.
When you were asking for money, Uncle.
Who asked for money? Because he was showing off. And I thought he had too much. He didn't want to, scatter the money. He didn't want to go to the bank. Money going to give from the money.
We have to do something about this.
Please, if you want to.
That guy can do anything.
If you do not leave this compound this very minute, I will deal with you.
One more word and I will redesign your face with this. What is the key?
Guy, you lie. You lie. Can you imagine you? How can you invade someone's privacy like that? Leave this at this minute before you get out! Out!
I like it.
Whose voice am I hearing outside?
It's Jamike.
What?
Jamike. It's Jamike.
What is he doing here?
I don't know.
My goodness, how did he find this place?
I think it was Nancy. Nancy brought him to the house.
Nancy?
Yes.
Hey. Why would Nancy do a thing like that now? Listen, I have to go out there. I have to know.
Hey, Biko, I'm a Panyawa. Please! Unyala, do you know he's attacking Frank? Baby, please, if he sees you, he will attack you.
That is the main reason I have to go out there to know what is happening.
Hey, baby! Hey, sister. What is wrong with your number?
Oh, Becky! So you're here, eh? You're here, eh?
Guys, let me throw for that. Marry me.
Listen, you need to calm down. You can't marry me by force.
You must. I will marry you by force.
Lock the gate.
Lock the gate. Hey!
Abo, you're here.
No.
Eh?
What happened?
So you're here?
Yes, don't worry, baby. Just calm down. I have everything under control. You should stay outside. Police will carry him.
Police? Abo, is this the way you intend to defend your own home? You didn't even bother to know what was happening outside. Jamike almost killed us out there.
No, now.
Pat, that is bad.
What is bad? I have this, please. I have this under control. I'm here taking care of this situation. I have called my sister. They will soon be here and they will be sleeping in jail tonight. I have told you I'm gonna ban here. So please, just calm down. You know, Pico, calm down. Did you see Frank? Where is Frank?
Frank has left. That guy almost killed Frank.
Hi! Just because I'm not there. He wanted to kill my friend because I wasn't there. He's going to sleep in jail. Oh, you're saying he almost killed my friend.
You want to cry? Huh? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this?
Don't worry.
You're just shameless.
Come here. Lie down here. You will pay for all of this. You will pay. Lie down here. You will pay for it. You will be here with me until they come. Okay? If you move, I'll blast your head with this. I'll blast your head with this.
Oh God, allow my son to pass through this pain. God knows that my son doesn't deserve this kind of treatment. He doesn't deserve it.
Go, dear. You have to calm down. Let God judge them. I said it before. Your son was madly in love with that girl. What has he not done for her?
Look at what my son is going through. They have used him. I only realize now that he has anger problem. Threw him away. Ah, God.
Mama. God.
I know my brother would not allow them. They will pay him back every kobo he spent on her.
But God will pay them back. Especially Agnes, God will pay you back. God will pay you back. God will judge you for the rest of your life.
Mama, it's okay. Stop shedding tears because of them.
Beke! If you don't come out of this house, I will not leave this compound. You must marry me whether you like it or not. Beke, better lock yourself in there, because if you come out, you will see the other side of it.
Get man! Open this gate!
Nobody goes out or comes into this compound.
Your sister is out. You mean you're not going to go out at least to know what is happening there? What is wrong with you?
It is not like that. You know I'm hot headed. You want me to go out there and commit murder? You should come take it, come home, madam. You wouldn't like it. Eh?
Do you want your sister to remain there? Pat, please go outside.
It's not about my sister. It's about committing murder. I don't want to go there and kill someone.
Aboya, please try. Make an attempt to do something. Are we going to remain inside this? Are we under house arrest? What is it? Eh? Are we getting a Maggie? Why are you fidgeting? Is it the way you are sweating? Eh?
I said open this gate. I am your Oga sister. Open this gate.
If you make any move, if you get up from that floor, I will blast your skull and splash your brain all over this compound.
Now open this gate.
Young man, don't move. Gate man, open the gate.
Open this gate.
Move, I will blast your head. I swear I will shoot you.
Beke, you went inside and called the police for me?
Open this gate.
I have a clear shot.
Hey, dude!
So, you are the one stopping this office. Now move it. Officer, take him.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do here will be held against you as evidence in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state will provide you.
Drop the weapon! Drop that weapon! Drop that weapon!
Your weapon!
Now move it.
Move
it.
Step aside.
I don't know it.
Step aside.
I used to be
Step aside.
in my house.
Keep moving.
I used to be in my house. Hey!
Keep moving.
Who is it? Who are you?
Now move it.
Hey!
Move it.
Get on your book. Who are you? Child! Somebody! Come back here! I will never say. What is that?
Now move it.
Get inside. In my house. In my house. In my house. Lock him up. Can you imagine? Huh? Have they left? Send him to prison! You should have allowed me to deal with him, oh. Why didn't you allow me to deal with him? Eh? Eh? What kind of nonsense?
It's okay.
I'm taking him, eh? You should have locked him up.
Ije, what has my son done to God? Ije, what has my son done to Agnes? What have I done to Agnes and her daughter to warrant this humiliation? Look at what they did to my son. What did he ever do wrong to them? Hey!
Go there. No. We will not take this. I cannot stay calm in this matter. What has Jamike done to warrant his being arrested? What?
Mama, I think what we should do now is find a way to go to the city and bail him.
I am going to Agnes. If she refuses to bail Jamike, this village will not contain both of us. I will make sure she regrets it. Huh?
Police cell my son did not do anything wrong to her apart from loving her daughter.
This is more than enough. We'll go there. Please. It's okay. Huh? Please, leave it for me. Leave it for me. If she refuses to bail him, watch out what I will do to her.
I want Jamike to stay away from that devil. I want him, he wouldn't listen. He was following her like a fly, following faces. He wouldn't listen. Look at what they've done to him. Look at the humiliation. Ah.
Ugodia, it's okay. It's okay. Leave it for me. If she refuses to bail him, watch out what I will do to her. Watch out. I'm going there now. Rubbish. Rubbish.
Elders, never! They lock me up. Okay. Okay.
Jamike, please calm down. We are here to settle this matter before it gets out of hand. It is true that both of you did not invite us when you were starting this. And now that it has resulted into a problem, you have invited us. That's why we are here. Please, let us settle this matter. Calm down.
Jamike, Butu, wait, Beke and Agnes, what do you have to say in this matter?
Nani Biko, Madam Agnes. Anyway, there's nothing to say than my daughter does not want to marry Jamike. Please let me ask, is it by force to marry somebody? I mean, if you don't love someone, you don't have to marry them. And that's final.
If Rosie, that is final. When you people were busy taking everything from him, you didn't know? You didn't know you weren't going to marry him?
Take what?
Okay, for again.
Nah, Nkeni, you have I ever asked you for anything? Everything you gave to me and my family, you gave willingly.
Give me wine.
Oh, no shit.
Who gave you anything willingly?
You're disrespectful.
Was it willingly?
I beg you for money. I just said I don't take local wine. You will go nyam nsigi jidega. Ijo ifanya mi anaka. Hey! Even let me even ask, elders, please. When he was busy sleeping with my daughter, did you pay her for anything? Eh? Did you pay? I gave her to you as a virgin. You can return her like that. It's enough for free. Hey! Abazu.
That is truth, and nothing but the truth. My elders, I didn't see anything in this matter. The case is simple. Jamike and Beke, they were in a relationship. He helped her, and she paid back in a woman's way.
Yes.
So, since Beke refused to marry you, Jamike, if I met him, you saw ya.
Asige Nase. She must marry me. I swear to God, I will burn down this village. Come and move, dog. I will burn down this village. You will marry me.
I will not marry
you. You will marry me.
I have been trying to calm you down. You will not.
You will marry me.
My elders, is it by force to marry somebody? Is marriage by force? Jamike, I will not marry you.
You will not marry me.
Yes.
You will not marry me.
I will not marry you.
Jamike, calm down. Calm down. Relax. Don't let frustration make you commit murder.
Who is frustrated?
I'm not frustrated.
Who is frustrated? When you see this frustrated? Do you know how much I've invested in this girl? How am I going to this girl?
You see what it is? This boy has gone mad. Your son has gone mad.
Wait, you go that thing.
This boy has gone mad.
He's frustrated.
Is he not frustrated?
Mama, I cannot take this. That boy, that fool cannot keep tormenting our brother just because he spent some peanuts on the girl. The girl said she doesn't want to marry him. Is that too hard for him to understand?
What I did to him is small to what I will do to him if he dares a boy. What do you call more for me?
Sister, calm down. Calm down. I want you to leave that boy to me. I will handle him. If it means paying him off, if it means giving him 10 million naira, then that is what I will do. He's a nobody.
Of course. Mama, I have seen that girl. She's a very beautiful girl. Suitable for a brother, a boy. Very suitable. Perfect.
My children. This is issue of marriage. And it is not what we have to discuss in this way. It's an issue of marriage. We are talking of marriage here. For better and for worse. That's what we are talking about here. That's what we are saying. Boy, have you checked properly? Have you checked very, very well if you and that girl are meant to live?
Mama, the thing is, you call me a boy and then that makes you think I'm still a little boy. Mama, I'm a grown man. I know when I see a girl that is my match. Mama, I have checked her out. I have spent time with her. She is beautiful. She is even more beautiful on the inside than she is on the outside. Mama, she is sweet. She is respectful. She is decent. And she is as calm as I am.
Mama, Mama, I have told you that this girl is beautiful and she's perfect for her brother. Somebody should please go and talk to that boy's family. Let him know the family the girl is coming into. If he doesn't want my problem, if he tries us, I will jail him. I will jail him.
Sister, don't worry. I'll pay him off. He's a nobody. I will bring him that.
I trust you, my friend.
You see that Jamik? He can do whatever he likes. Obasarom. If he thinks I'm going to run away from him, I will face him squarely. Fire for fire.
Mommy, I don't care what he wants to do. Anything he wants to do, he can go ahead. After all, I have tried talking to him. He has bluntly refused. For the fact that he has gone to the whole village and spread this whole news to them, I will not marry him. I won't. If he wants, let him come here and kill me.
Kill you? He won't kill you. Rather, he will kill himself.
Mama, nobody will die. Nobody will die. Nobody is killing anybody here. And what is all this now? Let's settle this matter in peace. Jamike is not a bad person. The only problem he has is that he has anger problem. That's all.
Aloma. Aloma. If I slap you,
Because don't mind her. Let her open her mouth and be bossy whatever she likes. I don't blame you. It's obvious you have something to do with Jamike. Yes. Because you're always defending him.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama,
the best thing is for her to go ahead and marry Jamike. After all, you are a woman. Go ahead. Is anybody stopping you? Mama, me, I don't care. Anything he wants to do, let him go ahead. I will not marry him. In fact, a boy can even settle him for everything he has spent on me.
He can channel the money through me and then I send it to him. But you see that money that he lent me, I am not refunding anything. That's all.
As for this one, if you go near Jamaica and shout, the little brain left will disappear.
You can advise her, you can't pass jump. Advise her. You've not even passed WAEC very well. Remember, somebody took the exam for you. Thank your mother for that. Neko, you can't pass.
Because of my weak point.
Mama, if I don't kill that girl, come here.
Mama, you won't kill anyone. You won't kill anyone. No, you won't kill anyone. You're not going to murder. Make a wine. What about the wine? See, allow them to go. Since they decided to put it that way, let that girl go.
No way. No way. I am going to their place now. Mama, they will see the other side of me.
Mama, brother is right. Let him do what he wants. Biki cannot go scot-free.
What's your problem?
How can I be used like that and dumb? When she was collecting all those things, she did not. Mama, no, she will marry me. And when he do, Mama, that girl will marry me.
No, ma.
It's okay, I'll talk to you later. Alright. Okay, bye.
That's the kind of call I like you answering. But there's something you did not do. You didn't say, bye, love. And you could have kissed into the phone.
Mama! Well, you know what, Mama?
What?
You see, Jamike, I am ready for him. If he wants to bring trouble here, let him bring the trouble. I am ready for him, Mama.
We will handle the trouble.
Mama?
Is it not Jamike I'm seeing? No, Jamike, a knife. Mama,
With
a knife. With a knife. Jamike, you're here. Is that not Jamike? Is that not Jamike?
Don't hear me say all time! Open the door! Open the door now! Becky! Oh, you're running there? If you like, run to the moon and back! You come out and meet me here! You cannot get here for free! Becky! Okay, let's see! Let's see! Be running! Be running! Come out here now, Becky! Come, I will damage something, oh! I will damage this cow! I will damage this cow! I will damage this cow! Becky! You are running there? Be running, no! I'll be here. You think you can eat my money and dump me? Mia! Becky, you can't do it!
Mama, what do we do? What do we do now? I don't know. Who do we call? I don't know. I don't know the way this boy is acting. He's going to hurt us.
Are you afraid? Mama, I told you. I told you. Now see.
Mama, listen. What we need to do now is for you to call any of the elders.
No. This boy is doing this to me because I don't have a son. I mean, if I had a son, would he come here and be knocking on my door like that? Hi. Maybe you should call that boy. Let him come here with please. Hey now.
My second daughter.
Hey, Mama.
You've heard all I said.
Everything.
Please, instead of you trying to marry that girl and enter into trouble, very big problem with that boy.
Mama,
Please leave I know.
Mama, I need you to stop worrying yourself. He cannot do anything to me. I mean, not when I have sister by my side. Because Zoe is not working so good.
Mama, Mommy, you have nothing to worry about. That fool cannot near a boy. He cannot give him trouble now. I have told her that he must marry my brother. And it will work. Oh, Mona. Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Mama, let's go now.
Chika, how are you?
Good evening.
Chika, Mama.
Ma, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
And how are your family?
They are doing well. Here's the dollar you asked me to bring.
Oh, Udale, me. Hey, Abo.
Okay, I should take some,
Mama, Mama, don't worry. We should start going now. The time is late. Let's go.
Sister, let me take a look.
Move it. Mama, later. Mama.
Don't worry. See, nothing like I got them here. Abo is my son. I am their mother. And I will do all my best to make sure a boy will marry you. And I know you will win one pong. And I love you. You know? That you don't know. You are going to help me now. Fetch firewood so that let's start cooking.
Okay.
Mba!
Mama, don't go.
Go. Don't worry. Stay here. I'll go outside and talk to him. Let me face him, Mama. Biko.
You want to go where? He will just beat you blue black.
What do you want me to do?
You better call our boy to get
police. At this point, our boy cannot do anything. He's very fine with me.
Keep your phone, though.
Yeah.
Afraid of what? Afraid of what?
That's what she said I should wait.
Charity, I am here. Kill me.
I'll kill you. I will kill you.
Jamike,
do you think you can dump me like that?
Jamike, I will not marry you. I will not marry you since you want to do it by force. I will not marry you.
I will kill you. Did you think I was a fool? You think I was an idiot? Is that what you thought? Jamike. I was a fool?
Jamike.
I will kill you and nothing will happen. You will marry me. Don't do it. You will marry me.
I will not marry you. Don't.
Mama, she can't marry another man. I'm barely going to here. Are you mad?
Don't kill her. Don't kill her. People, leave her. Leave her. Don't do it. If you kill her, what happens to me? If you look at me, just look at me, your mother, look at me. I'm a widow.
Brother, please don't do this.
Oh, Mama! Mama, this girl be going soon.
If you take it to jail, what becomes of me? Huh? I will die. Please don't do it. Just leave her.
Brother,
just leave her.
Please, we beg you, please.
Look at me.
You will marry me. I swear to God. You must marry me. You will never marry another man. I will not live and see you marry another man. Mark my word.
I will not marry you. I will not marry you. We shall see. We shall see, and I will not marry you. God. If you give my one, you meet your Waterloo. I will not meet my Waterloo. Why will not touch you? Where is that woman? Where is she that wants to threaten my child? Where is she? Nonsense.
Mama, it's okay. They are gone.
They are gone. What kind of rubbish is that?
Mama, it is okay.
Eh?
Come on, let's go.
She's here abusing you.
Why are you holding her? Mama, go now. Allow her go now. Allow her go to go and fight. Mama, go and fight.
Person will not fit pass.
Chima! See my car! My car! Look at what the... Ah! The only designer car in the country.
Mama, it's okay.
Give him, it's okay. Jamike must pay.
Mama,
Oga Google Motor. Hi! Oh!
Mama, it's okay.
Hey!
It's okay.
My car! My car! There's no other car like this in this town. This boy must pay. Ah, Jamike!
There is nothing anybody is telling me that will make sense. The only solution to this is that she marries me.
How can you enjoy this marriage if you force her to marry? Marriage is but when you want to force her now, you will never enjoy that marriage. So back off from that marriage. Man, walk.
Jamike, I am here because of two things. One, because of God, and two, because of your late father, old soldier, my brother. And this is the last time I'm going to talk on this matter. Leave that girl alone. Let God be the judge.
I said it.
Huh?
No.
I know that you have a heart of fire. But on the other hand, you are a good man. A very good man. You did all you did out of love for her. But since she wants to take it this way, Nam, let her go.
No. No, Ichi, I won't do that. What else do I have besides her? Who else do I have? I've invested everything I have into that girl. My finances, my emotions, my time, everything. And you're telling me to leave her? Mba.
Now marriage you by force.
Brother, please.
Okay, I'm not going by force.
Brother, please. Don't do this. Everyone is telling you to back off. You never can tell what God is trying to save you from.
Exactly. Your sister says it well. Let me tell you.
even if you force her to marry you, the church will not wed both of you. The elders, I mean her kinsmen, will not take drinks from you. They won't collect your drink. Huh? Hey. There is a strong reason why God is trying to save you from this marriage. My son, no, I am an elder. If you want me to kneel down to plead with you, I will, but take heed to my words.
Ichie, Mama, God, but for now, my no is no.
That stupid Jamike! He had the guts to mess up my car, the only car that I had, because it's not past tense.
Mama, easy. You mean he had the guts to break your windscreen?
Yes, now! He did it like this, with this big knife, and shattered my windscreen. I even took it to the mechanic, but they said I cannot fix it again.
You serious?
Yes.
Mama Zugobiko, stop crying. It's only a car.
Yes, but it's not there anymore now. I will be going to school late. It's almost much time.
Mama, you know what? I will replace your car for you.
Eh?
Yes, I'll get you a new one.
Bam. Please, if it's a joke, stop it. Don't get me anything, because...
Mommy, you did not ask, but you are so unhappy. Yes. I will buy you a new car, because...
Okay, thank you.
That boy needs to be locked up again.
No, sister, we don't need to do that again. All we need to do is just to look for a way to settle this whole thing. I've made up my mind. Since he wants it this way, I won't marry him.
Baby, I am happy to hear you say that. But first, I want to take you away from this village.
Mama, you don't have any problem. Okay. I would send an officer to go fetch the mother and the sister. Good. I know how to treat riffraffs like that.
Riffraffs.
Mama, worry not. Oh,
I will not.
All will be well.
It is well.
It's okay.
Darling, thank you.
Mama, we have to start going.
Yes, because it looks like it's going to rain.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey.
I'll call you.
Okay, I'll call you. Did you hear that? I call you.
Okay, I'll call you.
Mama.
Okay. What I know?
Embarrassing.
We'll call you. Don't forget to call us. It is big matter as long as they are wearing black with that thing. They are police now. Shake your waist when you're coming so they will know we have arrived. Move your waist to the left, to the right. Carpenter know they like that kind of shaky, Abby. Hey! What is this? How could he be? Hey!
His food is getting cold. And we need to get to the meeting they invited us.
I don't know.
I don't want to hear anybody concerning my son, no. I don't want anybody concerning my son, no.
Mama, if you take a close look at brother, you will see that he's getting slim by the day. This is really troubling him. I feel so much for him.
Norma, it is only God that will judge between me and Agnes. Let Becky go ahead and marry whoever she chooses for her. Let them leave my son alone. But one day, I know that she will realize that my son has some good sides. But before then, it will be late for her. Just my prayers for my son to get back to his business. Get on his feet.
I pray so too, Mama. It's okay.
Don't be worried.
It's fine.
I could
Let's just wait for him here.
I greet you all. We are here today. Please, Agnes, tell us why you and your daughter summoned us all here today.
Iche, thank you. My daughter and her husband to be, myself and the police officer with, the rest of them behind. We're here to ask you to please ask this young man by name Jamie K, something like that.
Young man by name.
That he should please tell us how much he feels he has spent on my family. So that my son-in-law here can refund him everything.
Exactly.
Whatever he gained when he was dating my daughter, he can keep as his benefit.
I think this is good. Ugodia, what do you and your son say?
Thank you, my elder. My son is here, so he can speak for himself. Now, tell them what you want.
Hi.
Biko.
What to yali gum?
Rapia no. What's in the rapia?
Mama, why debe gum na this condition?
Oh, Agnes. Agnes, the better game.
Please, okay, why is she calling my name? Look, if phone and not check.
Where debe gum na this condition?
Jamie, come wait for that tiny Nike.
Oh, again, I'm so again.
Becky, is this what you want?
Yes. Tell us how much you have spent on me the whole time so that we can settle it here and now.
Hey!
I think they have done something noble. Jamike, I advise you to do as they said.
It is well, since that is your decision. Whatever I spent on you, I cannot qualify it monetarily, but it's okay. I'll let it pass. Go. Go.
Well, our elders, you all have heard him. I actually came here with my family to make peace. Mama, you know we came to settle this amicably. But it is obvious his arrogance will not let him be reasonable enough. Ndiche, I do not want this boy here to harass my wife any day. I do not want him to come out and claim that my wife cheated on him or used him in any way and dumped him. Because that was why I came prepared. This is 5 million naira.
Cash.
For him.
What?
This boy, I can
Rapia.
only forget me here.
Rapia.
This boy, I can now. Him and only forget me here. Him and only forget me. This boy, I can now put the anya but don't be an here. And only forget me.
Jamike.
5 million naira. Jamike. 5 million.
Jamike, talk.
Mama.
Jamike.
Meet me in the house.
I'm going with you.
Jamike.
My elders.
Jamike.
My elders. You have seen them leaving. I am a police officer. And if he dares Beke and her family, I will deal with him. Yes. I will deal with him.
You will deal with them. She will deal with them. Yes. Hey, I'll come in.
This 5 million, if I'm able, now like that. You people, we will keep it. All the conway hongo, Anya doye, we will give it to him.
Let's go. So I keep it in my house till further notice. Police officer, please put this in the car.
I
will send some money. Let's all go.
Mama, how did it go?
Yeah, but they said that the money they offered him for compensation, so he doesn't want it.
He did well. Let her go, since she has seen a rich man to marry her. Let him marry her.
Hey! We'll go there. We'll go there. Why? Why? Jamiki. Hey! How could you reject such money? Hey!
Ichi, I'm heartbroken.
It's alright.
I feel very bad, Mama, but it is well.
It's okay.
It is well. Let her go with her money.
Huh? No! No! If you don't need it, your mother needs it.
I don't need it.
Huh? No. 5 million is a big money. Please, my son. Biko, go and collect that money. Go and take it. And use it to start a new life. Hey!
Ichi, true love is not for sale.
Exactly. True love is not for sale. Let them go with the money. But I will ensure one thing, that my son does not disturb them again. Let them go. Let Beke go and enjoy. But there is God. And that God is a just God. He will judge them.
5 million. Hi.
I know it's not easy, but don't worry. Don't worry.
Mama, we have to start leaving. How? Mama, don't worry. Since he has refused to take the money, so Wadira, I will set a trap for him. And if he falls into it, I will nail him. Auntie Adani, see, I know him very well. I know Jamiki. He has a heart of fire. He didn't mean all those things he said back there. I'm just scared he will still want to come back to hurt me. Oh, no, he won't. He won't.
Baby, it's okay. He will not hurt you. You're living with us, right? You are. This officer here will take care of Mama and Aloma. You will be okay.
You have done what is important. If that fool tries anything stupid, he will pay with his head.
My children, I am so grateful for all you've done for me today. I am happy. As for the 5 million that is already inside my room, I will take care of it. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go and put it in the bank. I know Jamike. Apart from having the heart of fire, he has the heart of longer throat. He will come back for that money. So I'll keep it for him so that once he comes, do you understand? But that reminds me now. A boy. You remember, you promised to get me a car. Do you know I've been going late to school?
Mama Biko, this is not the time for that.
Relax, I'm talking to a boy.
It's okay. Mama, you can take 3 million from that. It's fine. Or I can also get you.
Jamike will kill me. Let's leave that money for Jamike. You give me another 3 million, then I'll buy a car. Please, one more thing. I want the tires to be as big as your own. I didn't want to ask for that one because it's too big.
Okay, Mama. Baby, we'll see to that. Me and my wife will get back to you and make sure you get your car. Yes. You will.
I will.
Yes,
a boy.
Mama.
What is your problem? Because one more, I want to consider vice. Keep it up on Nisi, each year boy say on Nana. Rapon again one ye, go mellow wire.
I'm not happy. I saw this coming. I knew it. I told you then that the kid doesn't love you. No, I will not take this thing. Look at how we just wasted the opportunity of becoming 5 million naira richer. And I mean,
Asondo, thank you for coming. But there's something I'm planning and I need you to help me.
Say it. Whatever you tell me to do for you now, I am ready. 100% ready to do anything. I will not just let this thing go down like that. For what, Kwame? Off. Just say it.
Okay.
Just say anything you want me to do. I'm ready to do it. Who is Beke? She will not go free. She will not.
such a beautiful soul.
I'm the beautiful wife to be. You know what? I don't want you to worry much. As long as you have my sister and I, we got you anytime, any day.
Thank you very much. I want to thank you for the way you came to rescue my husband and I from the hands of Janaki.
I like when she says my husband and I.
As someone, you don't have to worry. Yes. Your mother and sister are protected.
Yes.
But I told you, right? I told you, champion, just there's nothing they can do to your family. There's nothing to offer you.
I'm going to get me something to drink.
Okay.
No, Auntie, it's okay. Let me get it for you.
Relax. Let him do it.
Oh, I will get you something to drink. Baby, I'm here for you. Don't mind them. Let me get them something to drink. Do you want to? I'll get it.
Okay. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Feel relaxed. This is your home.
Hey! Hey!
Mama, what is it?
These people are really serious. They are serious.
Mama, which people?
Agnes's in-law now. They came in convoy, entourage, threats, heading to her house.
Mama, are you serious?
Yes.
So they went to call the police?
Okay, phone on one.
Mama, I know they would think my brother will come with what to them.
Agnes called police on my son. Agnes, we shall see.
Agnes, we shall see. Mama, we shall see. Mama, I have to go there. Go where? I want to see how things will turn out.
If you go there, they will arrest you.
Mama, they won't. I have.
No, no, don't go anywhere.
I have to go, Mama.
Mama!
Mama, I have
to go. If they arrest, I won't come back. I won't come there to look for you.
I just pray that God will bless my son again. Agnes, she
wants to eat everything. One she wants to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? She wants to chop everything. I tire. She wants to eat everything. I tire.
Ana machina ifoma ya melele. Aya duro ni nammo. Ona ya buke chile chia da agwa. Ile ya muwo pe mo wan. Esi na yesu no no malo no. Ulu le je ni le me na je ni le je na je le ni. Ona ni ju na na je na ni.
Amen. Each year boy say oh no no no. Rapo no wagi wani komelo waya. Ika busyo bonye mabula musu. Onye bone kanye talo eji akugwa. Malupa no kenya den no ewa mono muli. Wanyinka, she want to eat everything. Wanyinka, she want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this?
God, where are you from? It has happened. God has done it for me.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
They paid you?
They paid me!
Jesus Christ!
They paid me! I never believed this insurance thing works so.
Huh? So Stella was right?
Very right. Osondo, I am 3 million naira richer.
Hey! When she was telling all this thing, I didn't know it was true.
I did not believe it. Look at it.
Hey! Nah, I've already started this thing. One day, we go drink time.
Lock shop, we go back. I want to carry stuff.
You want to carry them now? Alright, back.
Mama, that girl is evil. You needed to see the way they were happy there.
Norma, let her be happy. Let her be. I know your brother is happy wherever he is in the city. Alright? Let her go. That would be the best thing that happened to your brother. Not to have married a woman that doesn't love him. It would have been disastrous. You know that.
Mama, you're right. But she will not go free from this. She won't.
Don't ever say that again. Did you hear me? Don't say that about anybody. Not if anything happens to her, they blame your brother that he caused it. Please don't do that. I know your brother will find a good woman that will love him. That will accept him for who he is. And help him manage his problem. Because you know he has a problem. Yes, help him manage this anger. That should be your prayer for your brother. And not for you to curse anybody. Alright?
Okay, Mama.
Mama, so you will not come here for anymore? Mama, call me Patrick.
Patrick
the man.
Patrick
the man.
Take your bride. I got one poo.
And I love you.
Don't worry, I will make sure everything is settled. Okay?
Biko, I really need you to help me out on this one. Biko,
don't worry. By the way, where is Nikki? I have not seen her.
I don't know, but she earlier mentioned she'll be visiting her friend, so I don't know. She should.
Don't worry, you will win the case, okay? Oh, Nancy, you're here. Good evening. Baby, you're back. How are you? I'm fine. How was it? Oh, how was the case?
The case is just that
Madam, where are you coming from? I went to see my friend. You went to see your friend? How? Don't you know that there's a very big gap between a single lady and a married woman? You don't know that?
Sister, she only said she went to visit her friend and her lodge mate.
Boy, please, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If you don't have anything to do, you look for something. Make the house clean everywhere, make sure there's food in this house. Okay, tell me. What did you prepare for us to eat? I didn't make any fresh food, but I have stew in the refrigerator. Can you just imagine this? I have stew in the... So you don't have anything to do. Begin. You went to see your friend in her lodge. Auntie, what is this now? What have I done? Why are you shouting at me? I haven't done anything wrong. Are you talking back at me?
Be calm.
No, she was actually talking back at me.
She wasn't. Sister, be calm. Huh? Be calm. I'm begging you, leave this thing. You know I can cook. Eh? Let me just go and cook for you.
Don't tell me that! Don't tell me that! Begin to say this, I'll slap you here. Now, you listen to me. Get in there, go and prepare something for us, please. If you don't do that, I'll slap you. I will not tolerate such in this house. Not in my brother's house. Never! I will not tolerate it. What rubbish? What's all this nonsense now? Are you here for beauty? Go and prepare something for us to eat. What nonsense?
Who is around, though?
Hey, brother!
Norma! Where's Mama?
Look at Mama!
Mama!
Hey! Namo!
Mama!
Who has this car?
It's mine. God has blessed us. This is our car.
My own car?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
This boot is filled up with things I bought for you. Yes, Mama.
Hey! What kind of?
Yes, Mama.
Wow!
You got him, Mama. I go by you. Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Thank you, my dear.
I now have a car in my house. Hey! God bless you.
Thank you, Mama. Amen.
So who is this?
Sorry, Stella, come.
Oh, Stella, come.
Meet my mother. Mama, this is Stella, my fiancée, the girl I want to marry and your future daughter-in-law. She helped me bounce back. She has been so wonderful to me.
So this is my own.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, well. You know fine thing. Of course,
Mama.
Mama, you see, I told you. I told that this my son is a good person.
Yes.
That God does not sleep.
At all.
And God will answer his prayers.
Yes,
Yeah, the kid. What is this I'm hearing? Huh? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Now you listen. This should be the first and the last time I get any report about you. Okwinanu!
Sister Golibe, I haven't done anything that will warrant Sister Danny calling you here. I didn't do anything.
You are very mad. In fact, you are very stupid. Now you listen to me. Nobody dares toy with my brother's heart. Do you understand me? And are you saying that what you did is not enough for us to call this meeting? Is that what you're saying?
I don't know what she's saying. It's okay already. Say no.
Okay, please. This is a woman-to-woman talk. We have to trash it woman to woman. Please just go inside.
Huh?
I said we go inside. We need to deal with this thing woman to woman.
Sister, what she has said. You people have said enough already. She has made you.
Move it.
You're leaving? No, I'm not. I'll wait in the room.
Hello, madam.
What is that? Seriously? You are leaving? Oh. So you want our brother to disobey us? Is that what you're teaching him? The next time you try this, you'll see the other part of me.
Madam, sit down. Sit down, let me give you the rule in this family. Sit down, let me make you understand. You need to understand. Sit down.
Mama, why are you bothering yourself? Sister has already made the mistake. You can't change anything.
I don't understand it. Why must her boy be a boy? No wonder he's still answering a boy at this age. He just wants to stay a boy. Why would he allow his sisters to come and control his home?
You didn't hear what sister said. She said they were the ones that trained him. And they made him rich. So why not? They can control him the way they want. Mama, Chimike is not a bad person. The only problem I know he has is anger.
Shut up. Shut up. Don't you know that kind of anger can cause somebody to kill?
And he didn't kill sister for the 2 years they dated. Mama, if only sister knew, she would have worked on him. At least he could change because of her. And they would have made a good couple. Mama, if that boy was your son-in-law, you know nobody will come here and mess with us. You know.
Oh, God. It's already too late now. This is like crying over spilled milk. Now my daughter is suffering. Because her boy wants to stay a boy. He's a boy.
Mama, you know what you told me that God answers prayers is true. I believe that now. Do you know since I met Stella, I have hardly gotten angry.
Who said there is no God?
There is God though.
Hey! And he answers prayers.
Yes!
Mama, what matters in everything is love. If anyone loves you, they will understand your feelings and know how to make up with your inadequacies.
Okay,
but if they don't love you, Mama, even if you're a saint, they will still find fault in you.
That is true. That is true, Mama.
Where are all those people, Mandinchi? All of them that said I'm not a good person because I was hot-tempered.
They should come and see me now a changed man.
Let me welcome you well to my house.
Oh, Mama, because you came out.
Honey, let's go inside and freshen up. Hey, Mama!
I am tired. How did I end up marrying a baby husband? What was I even thinking? Who would believe that my own husband cannot even make one single decision in his own house? His sisters now make orders in the house because they raised him and made him who he is today.
You see, that was the reason other girls ran away from him. But you said you needed a calm guy. I didn't want to tell you before you will say I'm not a good friend.
See, you would have told me. At least you would have tried to stop me. Now I know the value of a man that stands his ground.
Yes, you're right. Every family needs that one person that other family fears. But what if his sisters dies? Who will stand for them? Definitely not him because he's not man enough. See why I like Jamie here, He's not bad after all. He would have made a good husband. If you had agreed to marry him, maybe he would have changed for you.
See, how did I end up like this? How did I make such a mistake? I am tired. I'm tired. Please. I can't even say a word. I can't even breathe. I can't smile. I can't do anything.
Easy.
See how it is
yourself.
The ways of God is different from mine. Onye chinazo, because you seek in the bere. Onye chinamele bere, koge mele bere. Onye chige mele mele, koge mele mele.
EJ love on the street. Those are village. Uncle, Jamie, can you do Uncle Jamie K is in love, oh, my brother Lee. Hey, Uncle Jamie K is in love, oh, my brother Lee. Close our village, you. Kineme love, oh. Close our village, you. Kineme love, oh. Hey.
Nothing on earth lasts forever.
Hey, listen.
Stand up. You didn't tell me you were calling.
No, what are you doing?
I said, you did not tell me you were calling.
And you did not answer my question. What are you doing?
Oh, I was just sleeping in the living room. How are you?
I asked you, what were you doing and where is your wife?
Sister, I already answered you. I told you I'm sleeping in the living room. My wife, she went to work. She went to where she's doing her primary assignments.
She went to where she's doing her primary assignments and you are sweeping the house for her. And probably you're going to
No, you're getting it wrong. Okay. Sweeping the house for us. So that's our house together. So what happened is we actually we woke up late and then she was running late to work and she tried to beg me to sweep the house. I did not let her beg. So when she tried to beg, I stopped her and I volunteered to do it myself. So
you volunteered? Ah boy, does she know how much I spent to bring her to this town just to be close to you as her husband? She went to her PPA and you are sweeping. Later now you will fix your food.
A boy! A boy!
Sister. Hey! Sister, why are you getting upset? Sister! I am not complaining.
You're not complaining?
Sister! It is my sweeping, no?
Okay.
Baby, sincerely, I am tired. I am so tired. I've had it up to here. I regret going into this marriage in the first place.
No. Babe, please don't say anything like that. If I may ask, why?
Why wouldn't it end? Am I married to a boy or his sisters? I can't even tell. I've been living in hell in that house. My only happiness is that I haven't gone through with the traditional marriage and the white wedding. That is the only thing that's just making me happy. Because his sister is home. I think she's home. Hello, sister. Yes, I'm in school already. What? Sister, I said I'm almost... She cut the call.
What did she say?
She wants me to come back home.
Why?
Why will you call her and ask her to come back? You want her to leave her job?
Beke does not. She does not even have the guts to disobey me. She has to come back. She asked you to sweep, and probably fix your food. As what now? Who is she?
Sister.
Cello, one name, Cello. Does she know how much I pay to make this marriage work? Let her also know. Make it as a sound of note to her to know that. She's not just here to enjoy your money. She's here to work. And she must work.
Sister, Adane, did I complain to you? Did I complain to you? Did I even call you?
I warned her. I warned her that nobody will maltreat my brother. Good morning. How are you? Are you mad? You left my brother to be sweeping for you as what? Hey! Baby loss! You are very stupid. You are mad. Come on, get out.
I don't know, Guinea. Guinea for Melody, what did she do to you? Go Guinea!
So, do you know how much I have invested in you? You left my brother to be sweeping for you as your maid. I warned you not to. That no woman can maltreat my brother. I am here for him.
Sister, what did I do to you?
Hi.
What did I do to you?
Are you talking back at me? I will slap you.
Sister,
Why is she talking back at me?
What did she do to you?
I'm not bringing her here for desire. She came here to work and she will work. Not to work, to go to where I don't know. You are very stupid. If you say that, I will slap you. You are mad. What's my business? She gets to this house, a man like this house, for her to sweep and do other house activities. Not to come and I'm going to work. You are mad. You are very stupid.
I'm going to speak to you.
Baby, you're awake. How are you doing?
You covered me up.
Yes, I noticed the weather became cold and you were a bit shivering, so I brought the duvet to cover you up. I've also prepared your meal, your favorite. Would you like to have it now?
Jamiki, you prepared me a meal?
Of course. But of course you know I'll do anything for you, or anything. Except that thing doesn't exist. I will even die for you. I'll go all the way for you. You know that.
Thank you. Thank you for loving me. I just want you to be patient with me. Give me time. I know that one day I will love you same way you love me.
You don't even need to love me back. Listen, I have enough love to cover for you and I. I just need you to give me a little more time to turn and become a better man and work on my temper. Okay?
I will. And that food of yours, I hope it tastes good.
You need to taste it.
Mm-hmm.
Did I go ahead?
Yeah.
I washed and hung my clothes before you. Why would you take off my clothes from the wire and hang your own clothes?
You the mad? No, something they want for head. If you know say your name na Beke, try come out all these clothes so I'll hang for this wire.
Simon, you have spaces here to hang
try
your own
come out
clothes.
them.
See, you have another space here. Why would you remove my own clothes from here and hang yours?
Baby. What's going on here?
See you. I hung my clothes, went into the house, only for me to come out. I found out that he removed my clothes and hung his. And that's just, you still have other spaces there.
I know they talk too much. Try come out them. Guy, you they mad. Is something wrong with your head? Or guy, you dey look for trouble, oh. You the I go enter you. You go enter me. You dey look for trouble, oh. Wait, I go.
I hear you. See, I don't tell you the most important thing.
Excuse me.
That guy.
Bro, excuse me. We're about leaving.
I don't tell you. Okay. See, tell him, make you walk out. Because I told you to go. So enter that area to go.
Bros, I said we want to leave.
See, you better tell him. I dey come that area tomorrow morning. See, if I get time, if I see him, see, I go just murder him. You know how they be now. You feel me? If I come there tomorrow morning, what I go do, man? You no go believe him.
Henry, he said you should come down. We want to go out.
You the crazy? Beke, you the mad? On how you go come and interrupt my call? You know this I don't call.
What do you mean you're on a call? Is this your room? Don't you have a room inside? What do you mean I'm interrupting your call? Go, come down from the car so we could leave.
Hi. Now me, we be small. Now you they talk to like this. Okay. You don't have fear for this area. Now you they talk. See, you they talk to me like that.
No.
Wait, small. What is the meaning of this? Why are you harassing him? He simply told you to come down from the car so we could leave. What is your problem?
You want to know my problem for
this area?
Yes,
I want to know your problem. What is it?
No, bros, I beg. Calm down, I beg. You know, she's not really shouting at you. It's just...
Listen, there is no need for you to say anything to him. You will leave this place. Why are you begging him? This is just a foolish man.
You the man!
Hey, no, bros, wait. Make I tell you.
I love that word. Alright. You see the foolishness for this area on this one. Beke, you open your mouth. You did the chop yam and talk to me, man, foolish man.
Henry, what is the meaning of this now? Please just come down from the car so we can go. I'm begging you, please.
Bros, I beg. She know me now. I beg, no vex. It's not like she's shouting at you. It's just the nature of her voice. Yes, just that's how she sounds.
Nature of her voice?
I am begging you in God's name. We are very peaceful people. Just come down and allow us go. Biko.
Beke, what I know for this area? Okay, I go plan now make you show. I go plan now make you show.
Hey!
See. Make I show us more.
What are you doing?
Hey, no, bros, Biko.
Why are you begging
you? You never reach like that.
Boy, why are you begging? What is wrong with you? Why are you begging me? Small. What is the meaning of this?
Biko! Remove your hand from your bag.
Please! Biko! Give me some money! Biko! My mother said I'm Iroko. I only Iroko. Biko! Please! Please! Biko! 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 Hey! Please! Leave your hand in your back. Biko! Please! Biko! Biko! I beg you!
Hey! Polisaria!
Ignore her! Biko! Please!
Alright, hey!
Hey! Please! Let us go! Hey! Okay! Let us go! Biko! Biko, let him take his time! Hey!
Okay, we go collect now.
Okay, you guys collect now! Come on! Come on! No! We are peaceful people! Don't worry!
Them say the woman there.
My sister will take care of us! Biko! No! Biko! Hey!
Hello, my guy. How far? Now one idiot too when they come my area, come they collect all those malaria reducer them. You know those things, all those pumpkin leaves. You go just put and they collect.
Ricky, you have made a mistake. I made a terrible mistake marrying this man. I think the best thing for me to do is to leave this house. I can't stay here anymore. Becky and Mom, talk to me. Did he drive you away? Why he did not say no, Zina.
I had to pack my things and leave the house. Mama, I am no longer interested in that marriage.
Kuskona, don't even let anyone hear that nonsense. Eh?
Mama, I married a feeding bottle husband.
Onang feeding bottle?
Mama, no. I wasn't married to him. I was married to his sisters. I have been living in hell in that house for the past few months. Please, where is Jamike? I need to see him. I need to apologize to him. Even if he won't take me back, I just need to see him. Where will I find him?
Jamike is no longer available. Jamike that is getting married very soon. Don't even bother yourself. If you see Jamike's girlfriend, she is so beautiful. And I heard Jamike is now very, very rich. The sister said she's coming. The sister said he's coming this evening. I will soon go and meet him.
Must you tell her how pretty the girl is? Eh? After all, Beke is even finer than her. Okay, they look almost the same, but... Nem, it's okay, don't cry. I know we've made a mistake, but it's okay. It's alright. Hey, you start looking for someone else.
Mama, please. What did I ever do to you? I have had enough of your problems. Beke this, Beke that. Won't I rest? Look at what you put me through. Everything I'm going through today is because of you. What do you mean? What do you mean it's because... What are you asking?
Please, just let me be. There, give me over the feeding bottle, or you give him your own feeding bottle.
Mama, please. If you are not complaining that Jamike was always shouting at you.
Mama, Beke is! Mama!
Don't push me, Joe. Am I the one that sent you to marry whoever?
Besides, look at Chief. This man that married 3 wives that all died. He's now single and he has money.
Mama.
Okay. What about
you
Jonathan?
See where you have caught,
Jonathan came back from Akwa Ibom. He's into oil. That's palm oil. Before you start thinking it's oil and gas.
Your visitor has come.
Which one?
Where do I put her bag?
In your room now.
I'm taking it to your room.
After all, the boy did not drive you away. You could have managed with the sisters. He didn't even come back with the car he bought for you. You'll come and look for somebody else. Johnson, I came back.
Aboy, how dare you disobey us? Now let me let you know something. Your sister and I brought you up. We made you who you are. Let me tell you something. That girl that left, she's not coming back to this house. As long as she had the guts to leave this house, she's not coming back. No way. And yes, tell her to return everything we bought for her. Exactly. If she fails to do that, the police cell will be her portion. Straight.
Are you two done? Adane, are you done? Golibe, are you done? Because this is it. This is the point
where this ends. This is the point where you stop talking to me like that. This is the point where you stop telling me what to do with my life. With my life, Adane. I am done taking orders from you. From now henceforth, you do not tell me what to do with my life. Do you understand? Ever! Enough is enough! How dare you! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Do not ever! Adane, if you try that, I will slap you back. I will slap you again and again and again! What is the meaning of this? Enough! Both of you have ruined my life. You've been controlling me like I'm your play toys. You tell me what to do with my whole life. Am I the only young man with sisters who care about him? Am I?
Avoy! Avoy Nakwala! Are you mad? How dare you talk to your older sister like that?
And that is the last time you talk to me like that. The very last time you will speak to me like that in my own house. You know what? I think you two have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house. Now. Get out!
Aloy, you're asking us to leave? You're asking your elder sister to leave your house? I don't blame you, because I have helped you to win the case. But I tell you, one day you shall look for me.
No,
let's go to the
lie. Ah, no! You lie! You lie, Adane!
Let's go!
I will never look for you! Do you understand? If I'm going to die, let me die! Get out of my house! Get out! Go! Get out of my house! What nonsense! Enough!
I prepared everything now. You can't move around.
Mama, as soon as I get back to the city now, I've set up the plans. We're coming straight.
I hope you have told Okoye.
I will. I'll tell him. I'll tell him.
This one is my own.
Mama, I keep thanking God for bringing her my way. If you know the kind of impact she's had in my life, I no longer am hot-tempered. She has reduced it drastically. When it comes, she knows what to do, what to tell me, and then it just goes all down. And she has the patience, the tolerance. She's just got sent.
I'll miss
it too.
No, you have seen it.
Yes, Mama.
Learning from how.
Mama, we have to rush now. The journey is long.
Yes.
Okay.
Please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. The way I and my mother treated you. I'm sorry. Heaven bears me witness that I loved you from the deepest parts of my heart. I loved you with every fiber in me. But I wasn't patient enough to help you with your anger problems. Please, Jamike. Please, Jamike, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Get up, Ike.
No.
No, just get up, please. I bear no grudge against you, okay? Honestly, I've forgiven you. From the bottom of my heart, I have forgiven you and have moved on. You know, sometimes what we die for isn't actually what God meant for us. But it is okay. I bear you no grudge whatsoever, you and your family. I have a clean heart towards you. Honey, come. Meet my wife, Stella. She's been awesome. She has made me a better man. She understands my temperament and she has helped me work on it. She's tolerant, she's patient, she's God-sent. But you and I are still friends. Anytime.
Sometimes things don't work as we planned.
You go on your own. Open a heart of fire. I'm going to heart of fire. Why? Look at this.
And Aloma.
Another change, never on your church, or got to sell me. If I'm a worker, yes, I'm one at a girl. When you look up, oh, yeah, you know, I you want away. When you look up, hallelujah, you was a go quick. Another change, never on your church, or got to sell me. If I'm a worker, yes, I'm one at a girl. When you look up, oh, yeah, you know, I you want away. When you look up, hallelujah, you was a go quick. Sometimes things don't work as we planned. Life is mystery, but remember, the ways of God is different from men. Onye chinazo, because you see can bere, maka onye chinemele bele, koge mele bele, onye chigemele mele, koge mele bele. Niye nine, one them rat warrior chukua. Nemu onye chulaju, oga chuze mwe.